Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We go live every day to up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday. We are here for you. Welcome, everybody. And what a day we are in for. What a week we're in for. It's the Santa rally around the corner. Is the CPI rate going to come in? Is everything going to look good? Who knows? We had an amazing couple of weeks ago. Lost a bit of it, but we're rallying again. Let me share with you my actual position. Here we go. So, as you can see, 41,920 up 1.44 today. Looking okay. Let's get straight into the charts. Welcome everybody from TikTok this morning. Welcome to all of you, Twitter, Facebook. Our home of our show is on YouTube. This is my YouTube broadcast. These are my real shares, my real positions, my real Bitcoin. My Bitcoin is now moved, I will tell you, has moved to my ledger. I've removed it from the brokerage accounts. I will share with you. Look, here is my ledger. There you go. You can see it on the screen right there. There is my Bitcoin. I've removed it. I'm starting to buy it now as it falls back down, but there it is. That's on my ledger, so it's safe. It doesn't matter what happens to the exchanges. I'm buying $100 of Bitcoin every time it drops $1,000 because it's going to go down to about 10 or maybe even 8,000. I don't know, but I'm just going to buy it on the way down. I've already sold it at the top. I'm out of that. That time has come and gone, and the exchanges one by one are collapsing. So that's how I'm playing my crypto investment. But this is my overall portfolio. I'm going to share with you now that you're seeing on the screen. 41,924. This is the majority of my money. And if it's your very first time in today on YouTube, subscribe, ring the bell. This is the home of our channel. This is where we do our cash giveaways every Friday. And we support our charities, raise over $1 million for our members on the previous channel, Martyn Lucas, and then spilling over into this channel. But anyway, let's carry on. Let's bring everybody on the screen that's with us in YouTube. Jason Fallon. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Mike. Mike's keeping Twitch going. For those of you that don't know, every first Friday of the month, we give away a cash prize to our Twitch subscribers. It's free using Amazon Prime Gaming. Just turn it on and keep a tab open with Twitch. The more money I generate, the more money I can give to you on my monthly cash giveaways. There's Twitch in the chat. Go and subscribe to me with Amazon Prime Gaming. It's free, and you can be in our draw every first Friday. All right, it's free to enter, free for all. Andrew Grady, good morning, Andrew. Thank you very much for being here. Right, let's go through the stocks. We're up 1.5 at the moment. Where are the gains coming from? Right. I am looking, and I've been saying now for a while, has the market bottomed? And we can measure that. We can measure that by the fact, and I'm also, yes, Jason mentioned unlucky Argentina. Yeah, incredible story. I'm actually sharing the football as well. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Let me bring it up to you on the screen right now. We're sharing the football with you as well. And as the games progress, we'll be sharing live scores with you. Let's scroll down. Let me share with you. Yes, Argentina lost against Saudi Arabia. Incredible. That's the full-time score. But we've got Denmark now playing Tunisia. 33 minutes in. There you go. You can see it's 0-0 at the moment. Mexico starting soon against Poland, France, Australia later on. We're covering all of it. You see all of it here on the show as well. So if you want the football, you're in the right place for that as well. All right, let's carry on with our positions right now. Okay, so has the markets bottomed? Well, has my portfolio bottomed? It's a broad spread of the market. I include the S&P 500. It's the biggest part of my portfolio with 19%. And I've not been able to buy the S&P 500. In other words, I've not been able to buy a lower price now for weeks. So let's have a look at it over the week. It's down 1.3, but look at it over the month now. That's more important, 4.87. Over the last 3 months, down 5%. But look, 3 weeks ago, September the 30th, was that the bottom? Nobody will know. until months ahead, but I'm measuring it, and I think that my portfolio and the market has bottomed for me because I am very rarely able to buy anything. And even Tesla, which I snipped in a share yesterday, a couple of shares yesterday, is up as well today, 1.45. My latest price to buy in on Tesla is 160. 160. So I last bought it at let me have a look, 170.34, 180.30, 181, you can see it there, but 170 was my lowest ever price, and we are just about there this morning, back up again. So has it bottomed? Rivian up 2% today. Overall, I'm up 4%. We've had a huge drop with Rivian recently, as you can see, but it's not gone below my all-time low. What about Lucid? We bought yesterday a little bit. I've got an order at 10. It hasn't gone down to 10 at the moment. Arrival, our lottery ticket. We regard it as a bankrupt stock, to be honest. Amazon is up today, 0.57. Looking all right. I'm down 15% on it. I'm not prepared to buy any more. It's very expensive, Amazon. Apple also very expensive, but up 0.27. I've got nearly $4,000 in it, so I'm okay with that. I'm down 2.6. Robinhood, they're going to do well because the interest rates are so high. They're making more money. McDonald's, and they've survived. They seem to have survived this FTX debacle. All those crooks and scammers. Anyway, welcome everybody over on TikTok this morning. Very quiet this morning. Anyway, let's moving on. McDonald's is down 0.18 so far, up but nearly 13%. Coca-Cola up 0.19, up 5% now. My Coca-Cola, my staples, my Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and J&J are quite reasonable now. That's $3,000, $3,000 there, three, 6, 7, 8, $9,000. $9,000 of my portfolio is in McDonald's, Coke, and J&J, and all looking quite good. 4.69, 5%, and 12.81. Nice. Right, we go on to tech now. Let's have a look at our tech. Whoops, sorry guys, I just bashed you all about on TikTok. There you go. Google today is up. Is that 11%? Hang on a minute. What am I looking at? No, that can't be right. I was going to say, that's better. Up 0.35. That looked a bit odd. Up 0.35. And I'm still down on it, but not that far off. Just 3% down. Microsoft, I'm up nearly 4% on it. It's up today, 0.25. Meta, 0.57 today, just 4% out. I was actually on the money a couple of days ago. I think we're going to return there. Do you think there's a Santa rally around the corner? I do. Kramer thinks there is. Not that I agree with Kramer all the time. SoFi Technologies is 11. Now, SoFi, all sorts of problems because they are being looked into because they are regulated as a bank, but they have crypto on their books, and they're not regulated, of course. So people are looking into SoFi right now, and because of that, it dropped yesterday. I don't see a problem with SoFi, but it did drop the stock yesterday dramatically. I'm down 17% on it. I'm not prepared to buy any more because if I'm going to invest any more money, I would rather put it on the S&P 500, to be honest. Having $1,900 when I'm already down 400, that'll bring me up to like 2-3 is enough. So I'm not buying it just because it's gone cheaper, okay? I want to limit my risk because there's always a risk, no matter how much you love a stock. Unlucky Argentina, yes, indeed. Mark Korn, good morning, family. Hello, Dexter Sickles, welcome to you as well. Welcome, everybody, to the show. So, let me do a poll. Is there a Santa rally on the way? In other words, next week. Is there a Santa rally on the way? What do you think? Yes or no? We had a great run, dropped a little bit, quite a bit actually, but we're still way up. What do you think? The figures are going to come in tomorrow. Okay, what do you think? Did I give anybody a... I didn't give anybody an option, did I? This will remove the question, confirm. I didn't give anyone an option with that one. That's a bit silly. Start Q&A. Hang on. I'm doing it all wrong. This morning. Let's do a poll. Start a poll. There you go. Is there a Santa rally on the way? Okay. Yes or no? All right, ask your community. I'm asking it. There you go. Is there a Santa rally on the way? Okay, PayPal up 0.77 today. I'm not in PayPal at the moment. Rolls-Royce, I'm also out of that as well. Walmart 0.33. ETORO is over there on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. I think we got 2 people now on Twitch, keeping it alive. Thank you. You don't have to watch me on Twitch. The quality is far better on YouTube. But please, if you can, keep another tab open on Twitch. We're trying to get 75 viewers so I can become partner. And the more money I earn, the more money I give away once a month. So there you go. It's free to subscribe using Amazon Prime. There is the Twitch channel. We've only got, as you can see, 1 viewer in there at the moment. I thought ETORO was there with Mike, but anyway, just 1. Only 10 subscribers, so 1 in 10 chance of winning our cash prize on the first Friday of the month. Anyway, good morning, Hippocrates, our friend from Greece. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you join us. You've been a guest of the family now for a couple of days. I'm going to be on YouTube later in the chat. All right, ETORO. Keep YouTube open as well. Keep it open. It generates more income for us the more we can give away in cash prizes. Good morning, Caden Youngquist. Congratulations to Caden. His channel is growing really quickly. I'm getting worried now. He's catching up with me. He really is accelerated quickly. Anyway, well done to you, Caden. Congratulations. Is it helping we are on Twitch? Yes, it does, because I'm trying to get 75 viewers. Twitch, just like YouTube, will share to more people if people are on there. So the more people that are on there and commenting, it's just like YouTube, they'll share it to more people. And once I get to 75 viewers, I become partner, I earn more money, I give away more money. All I want to do is be able to give it away. So I just want to grow the platform and grow the community. I'm not bothered about the money. I want to... Thanks. Officially monetized. You are monetized too. You got 4,000 watch hours. You got 4,000 watch hours as well? No. Hang on a minute. I didn't see that. Really? You got 4,000. I've been watching you every day. I didn't realize that. I didn't see that coming on. Bloody hell. I missed that for a trick. Well done. Well, that's incredible. That is incredible. Caden Youngquist has got his channel monetized in a record time. I think that's been what? How many months has that been? 5, 6? That's very, very good. Very impressed. Very impressed. Anyway, well done indeed. Well done. You go live. You do a lot of work. So good for you. Good for you. Very, very nice. Anyway, good morning. Let's have a little look. Can you check Nasdaq, please? Yes, I can. I can check all the indexes. It's I can review and go through details. It's a membership perk, SO8AN, for me to go specifically into a certain stock or a certain index for you. So consider being a member. If I get a chance, I'll do it in a second. But here is the invitation to join. Is the invitation to join, and you get many, many perks and benefits if you are a member. All right, many, many perks and benefits as a member. Anyway, I can't believe it. I'm so proud of Caden. That is awesome. Anyway, it's average. That's great. It's an average. That's great. CY. What do you mean, Chad? I'm not sure what you mean there. It's an average. That's great. What does that mean? Anyway, there we go. So at the moment, up 1.33. You got a lot out of it. Small price to pay. Oh, thank you. There you go. Mark Korn says you get a lot out of it. That's a very small price to pay. Well, we try to provide the best membership plan on YouTube. I'm here to work for you. That's what I'm doing, right? Up to 10 hours a day here in the studio every day. Ignore that message, messed it up. I said, Shad. I thought it didn't make any sense. Right. Test of the day. We've been buying it. Our lowest was 170. Best channel in the world. There you go. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Mike. All right. Rivian. Lucid, 1.65. Arrival, 1.3. Amazon, 0.5. Two separate things. I was going to say the Twitch partner thing is an average. Yes, it is. It is an average, yes. It can't be just 75 one day and then 0 tomorrow. You're absolutely right. It's an average. So I'd need 75 viewers on average every day. So if I had 100 one day and 50 the next day, my average would be 75. Yep, I get that. So I'm a long way off. Anyway, it's just a target. We made affiliate. That was great. Obviously, I took a break in October, so that knocked me back. But we're growing. We've got 10 subscribers now. I actually don't know why we don't have hundreds of subscribers on Twitch. If you use your Amazon Prime, it's free. I don't know why anyone doesn't do it. Because if I had $1,000 a month cash subscribers revenue, I could give away so much money, and it's free for everyone. It's global. It's not just in the US, it's UK, it's everywhere. Everyone who has Amazon can turn Amazon Prime Gaming on. I don't know why everyone doesn't subscribe to me on Twitch using Amazon Prime. I understand if you don't want to pay for it, but it's free. And I don't get it why everyone doesn't do it. I've got 5,500 followers. Why haven't I got subscribers? Why don't I have 5,500? I don't understand it. Well, all I'm trying to do is give the money away. It bewilders me. So anyway, here's Twitch again for you in case you're thinking, yeah, I agree. Why am I not doing it? Some of you let it lapse. I was up to 20. And when I took my holiday, I think some of you forgotten it's lapsed. So you're not in the draw. I've only got 10. Look, let me show you on the screen. See, it's only 10. There, look, see? Only 10. Because during the holiday, if you don't renew it every month, it lapses. Because Amazon don't want to give it you for free. They want you have to renew it. Anyway, so let's go back to the main portfolio. I assume everyone is using their free subs simply to the hot tub streamers. Probably. That's what's going on. Yeah, I assume everyone is using their free subs, sub into the hot tub streamers. Yeah, that's probably what it is. They're thinking, I don't want the cash prize. I want to watch naked ladies in a hot tub. I can't get into it from my Prime Gaming link. Just give me that link and I'm in. You can, Bill. You can. I checked it. It's a global thing. Amazon is global. You can turn on your Amazon Prime Gaming. It's free. I don't know how to explain it to you, Bill. You go to amazonprime.ca because you're California, and in there is gaming, and you turn it on. And once you turn it on, you go into Amazon. You go into Twitch. And you sign in with your Amazon account, because Amazon own Twitch. You sign in, and then it says, when you go to subscribe, it says, do you wish to use your Amazon Prime Gaming? And you go, yeah, and that's it. Boom, simple. Right, look at this. We've got 8 people now. I asked you for something, and the family responded. 8 viewers, 10 subscribers. We're getting there. There you go. Right, do not abandon YouTube for it. Keep YouTube open. Have it open as a separate tab running in the background. Right, keep on YouTube. But very, very easy. If we can get 75 in there. Oh, there we go. Shad resubscribed. There we go. Shad has just subscribed. Look at that. There you go. See, it just lapses. Shad Stream, which is obviously Shad, resubscribe with Prime. They've been subscribed for 4 months this minute. Yay! There you go, Shad, see? Some of you just let it lapse. That's all it is. Anyway, nice one. We're growing again now. I want to be able to give away. I can't wait to the day I can give away $1 million. I would love it. I would love to say today's stream is $1 million, but I can't do it unless I get it. I mean, You know, I can't. That would be mental, right? That would be mental. Thank you for all the love on TikTok. Same Henok has become my top viewer. Sent me some roses. Thank you so much indeed. Well, would you like to be in my free cash prize draw? Join us on YouTube. Links in the profile. youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as it is here on TikTok. Come and join me. Right, let's get back to it. We are growing. We are growing now. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here we go. Martyn, you're going to be mad, but I've just loaded Twitch and the quality is much better. You're going to be mad, but I've just loaded Twitch and right, you know, Shad, I'm not going to be mad. I'm going to be disappointed with you. I'm going to be disappointed with you, Shad, because you should know this. You're a professional streamer. Shad, you're going to be mad, but look, he just said this. The quality is much better. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. And I'm wondering now how many people don't know this. Ready? Right? Look, go to YouTube. Twitch is very low resolution, right? They don't do 4K. It's not bad today, actually. It's streaming all right. But if your experience on YouTube isn't great, it's because you've got to click the little cog here. See, underneath the viewer, you click the cog. It may be, look, see, I'm streaming in 4K. I'm streaming in 4K. You can select this one. Some of you may have it on auto, and it may be only 360. Or look at the difference. Look, there you go. See how it's all blurry? See, it's all blurry? Rubbish, rubbish. You can click the cog right there, and you can go 4K, please. I want 4K, and bosh. Now look how sharp and clean I am. See? See? Shad. You should know this. You should know this. YouTube has defaulted to 360. See? Go and change it. Unbelievable. This is the difference between YouTube professionals and TikTok. Just for your information, 4K is 1440 is 2K. All right, smart ass. Right? He's a Facebook streamer. He don't know what he's talking about. All right. I shouldn't put him down really, because I am an investor in Meta. So I should stop running down Facebook, by the way. Anyway, yeah, I bet you hate me pointing this stuff out. I love it, Shad. I love it. You point it out. The more I can learn, the better I can be. I don't get offended or anything by anyone. I learn nothing. I learn nothing from people saying it's great. I learn everything from people saying it's rubbish. Because I go, why is it rubbish? What can I do to make it better? If everyone just watched my show and went, it's brilliant, it's perfect, I'll go, it can't be. There's got to be something that ain't perfect. Is the sound not perfect? Is the audio not perfect? Is the presentation, it's not perfect, is it? So people that go, do you realise you could do this? I think it was, who was it yesterday who said put the football scores on? Was that Shad? And now look, and now I have a football, now I'm a football channel. Look at that, see? Was that Shad's idea? Anyway, looking really good today. I'm very excited. Santa Rally's on his way. Jingle bells, Santa's on the way. Santa Rally, what do you reckon? Is it coming? I don't know. I think it is. I think the inflation has peaked. I think my portfolio has bottomed. I keep saying it. I know I've been picking up the odd one or two shares, but it's hardly anything now. It's very, very rare I can buy anything. So anyway, let's go to a very, very quick commercial break, because you've got me talking too much, and I don't like that, and you know why, because it loses me money. I don't like losing money. So commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. All right. Okay, we are back in the hood, drinking tea. Earbud quality. There you are, see? See that? Right, the S&P 500, I'm up nearly 2% now. That is very, very nice. The overall portfolio at 1.56 today, 646. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is still holding above that $5. I know it's not much. Do you put milk in your tea? Yes, I do. And if anybody wants, someone said to me yesterday, can I buy you some tea for Christmas? Yes, you can. We have I have my very own Martyn's Christmas list now, and it's on Amazon. And if you want to send me some tea for Christmas, Bill did that. If you want to do that, there it is. And whatever you send me, I will share on the stream. So there is my my Christmas list. That's what the things I use or whatever. But if you send anything into the studio, I will then share everybody. So if there's something you want to send, share with everybody, then that's how to do it. All right, you click on that. All right, and granddad slippers. Yeah, did you like my slip? I like those slippers. They're all right. They're all right. What's wrong with them slippers? What's wrong with them? Keep your feet warm in the winter. What's wrong with them? Right, don't you start knocking down my slippers. Right, anyway. Someone on Facebook said, typically the market drops every year, mid-December until mid-January. Do you agree? It was a crappy Facebook investing page. It's not... we could check the statistics, but it is not a typical thing. No, not at all. There's a lot of reasons why a lot of things happen in December. First of all, it's tax season, right? The end of the year, people are taking. You might want to post a loss. So some people sell at a loss because they want to bring their tax down. Yeah, they do that all the time. If you've made too much money and you want to lower your tax bracket or you want to lose money, sometimes you'll sell at a loss in December. That is true. That is true. So that does happen. Pipe and slippers, says Malk UK. Andrew Grady. Again, I don't go on trends. I don't go on what happened last time, because what happened last time is not a guarantee of what happens this time. If that was the case, everybody would just buy in when everybody else bought in, and everybody would sell when everybody else sold. It wouldn't make any sense, would it? There'd be no point to anything. Pipe and Sipper, says Malk. It's on the way, Sunday. Delivery, it says. Hey, I've got a delivery coming from Bill. I think Bill is sending me that crystal ball. Anyway... crappy Facebook. Yeah, don't run down Facebook. Shad is a professional Facebooker. Right, talking of professional Facebookers, I need to go over to Discord, I don't know how that connects, by the way, and open up the broadcast lounge. If anybody recently has become a YouTube member and you are not yet upgraded on Discord, and you will know, because you won't be able to see the broadcast lounge at the bottom. The broadcast lounge is where you can call in. You won't be able to see that if you are not a YouTube member. Just because you're a Discord member, you won't be able to see that. So if you are on Discord or think you're on Discord but can't see that, you can't see all the members' channels. You can't take part in all the good stuff. So there's Discord. Get on Discord and I'll upgrade you during the live show. All right, many perks to being a YouTube member, and that's just one of them. All right, let's go back to the main show a second again. All I want for Christmas is Elon to keep his trap shut. Oh, yeah. Up 1.59. We're pushing up. The S&P 500 is up. Looking good. We're coming up to 8 o'clock now, Central Time. Let me bring you the breaking news on the football. It's half-time for Denmark and Tunisia. We've got Mexico and Poland coming up later on. Good match. You all know what's happening Friday. Friday, of course, is England plays the US of A. Oh, yes. England plays the US of A. All my American friends, ooh, American friends, you're going to get whipped by the English on Friday. Oh, it's going to be good. It's going to be good. Anyway, I haven't quite decided what I'm doing. I'm taking, obviously, Thursday is Thanksgiving. Family are here, so there's no show on Thanksgiving Day. It's a bank holiday. Friday, the family is still here and England are playing. So I don't know I'm not going to be doing a normal show on Friday. So if you've noticed, I have posted that the cash giveaway will be the following Friday. There will be a following Friday. What I might do, because the family is here and we're watching the football, what I might do is do a members only stream of the football, USA versus England. So I can be watching it on the telly, in enjoying it with you. You can watch me with my face painted. In fact, I'll have a poll. Let me end the poll a minute. Okay, this would be a members only. I'm thinking. Let me just see how popular that will be for the after. So it starts at 1 o'clock. So it'll basically be because I can actually get myself on the camera in front of the TV. I'll be all face painted. I'll be with my flag, my shirts, my decoration, all of that stuff, and I could stream it as well. So let's have a poll. Who fancies a special SPAC special? I just wonder. I wonder if it should be members only for that. I wonder if it should be members only. I'm just trying to think. People might unsubscribe if I did that. I think it needs to be. I think it needs to be members only. It does really, because it's personal, isn't it? It's me and my home and everything else. Who fancies a special? Okay. Special members only. There you go. Members only. Yeah. Members only. USA v England. Okay. Who fancies that? It'd be members only. Yeah, I'm calling it. Members only. Who fancies a special members only USA versus England? So it goes live at 1 o'clock, which is 1 p.m. Central, 2 p.m. Eastern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 o'clock in the UK. 7 o'clock in the UK. Members only stream. And basically, the stream would run. I'll have a camera on the TV. So we'll all be together, cheering, shouting, screaming, drinking beer, going ballistic. What do you reckon? Good idea? What's that? Why would 3 people go, no, don't do it. I don't want you to have fun in your house. What's that all about? Why do I get such funny votes? Who fancies special members only USA versus England? Or maybe you're just thinking it's because I want the stocks. I'm not interested in your bloody football. Maybe it's that. I don't know. People do it all the time. Members only. People do it all the time. What do people do all the time? Careful with right to a football stream. Might cause you a strike. Yeah. You're right. It's a day to remember. 59 years ago. What's a day to remember? That would be dope, Martin. It'd be good, wouldn't it? That would be super tight match. We're not losing like Iran did, but you win. Hey, I love it. Ooh, markets are closed Friday. Are they? I don't think so. I don't think they're closed on Friday. Are they closed? They're closed on Thursday. Could someone just check that? I think the stock market is open on Friday. But if it is closed, then it's a double win, right? It's obvious. So I'm gonna Google it. Right, what's the time? Coming up to 8 o'clock. The markets are going up. So we've got a very short week then. Is the stock market open on Friday, November? What will it be? What date? Today in history? 59 years ago. Today in history. 59 years ago in Dallas. What does that mean, Bill? Are you talking about Kennedy's assassination? Today? No. 59 years ago in Dallas. I went to the grassy knoll, if that's what you're talking about. Half of the day, Friday at 1 p.m. Oh, I see. So it's only half day. It is open on Friday. It closes early. Okay. Oh, okay. It's only open in the morning. 1 p.m. close. Okay. Right, that's what's happening. So we're closed Thursday and it's closed 1 p.m. on... Right, okay, it's half a day. Okay, so that's interesting then, isn't it? I mean, where's the markets going then? So Thursday is the last day then, really? No, tomorrow is the last day because it's closed tomorrow. Closed on Thursday. Right, okay, we're going to have a very interesting thing, aren't we? The S&P is up 0.5. Virgin Galactic is holding now. We've got Virgin Orbit. Still no news on the flights. Can't get it yet. Damn Tesla. Oh, it's going down again. 168. Right. I've got an order at 160. Now, I can afford this morning because the overall portfolio is up. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Look at 168. Okay. Let's have a little look. Get some context. I'll pick it up at 160. I'm so out of the money now. I was up like $2,000 on Tesla. I'm now down 3. That's a swing of $5,000. Elon reinstated a lot of people on Twitter and it's making everyone mad. He's upset a lot of people. There's no two ways. There's no two ways about it. So anyway, let's have a little look. But you've got to look at the chart, right? I'm not interested in Elon Musk anymore. I've given up with Elon Musk. I'm not investing in Elon Musk anymore. What I'm now investing in is, thank you very much, Mix Star Mike, for telling me it closes at 1. They close at 1. Thank you so much indeed for your support, mate. Appreciate that. Yeah, look at the chart. Tesla keep growing. They only had that one with the Chinese closures. Tesla are beating earnings. Tesla are doing well. I'm investing in Tesla, not Elon Musk. 170.34. So, 169 now. I've got to buy at 160. I think it's 160, yeah. I'm going to stick to that now. Anyway, 160, 160, 68. If it gets near that, I'll do it. If it gets like 161, I'm not going to split hairs or anything like that. So anyway, keep an eye on that. But the overall portfolio is up. So what is making us money this morning? The overall portfolio is up 1.35. So the S&P 500 is shrugging it off. Virgin Galactic is going up. Virgin Orbit, Tesla's dropping. But Rivian is up today. Lucid is up today. Arrival, whatever. Amazon up 0.71. That's a good return. Apple is up 0.13. Robinhood is up 2% today. Elon's a donkey, but Tesla's a money maker. Yes, there we go. I agree. McDonald's is down 0.18. Coca-Cola is up. J&J is up. Something's making me money. It's got to be somewhere else. Google is up 0.5% today. That's good. Microsoft up 0.5%. Meta up 0.3. Right. Now, you know I've always said to you, and SoFi as well, what do you think? Is SoFi an overreaction? SoFi is a bank. It's regulated as a bank. However, it's involved with crypto, which is getting all this scrupulation. What's the word I'm looking for? Scrupulation? That's not a word, is it? Scrutiny. It's getting all this scrutiny. Scrupulation. It's all getting all this scrutiny. So SoFi had a massive drop. I bought some, as you know. Anyway, Iran says 40 foreigners arrested to take part in anti-government protests. We got some breaking news here from Churchy. There we go, on the line. Fanatics, Nike takes sports franchise model global in deal with Yomiuri Giants, Japan's most popular baseball team. Thank you for the breaking news. Thank you very much indeed. If and when Tesla go back up to normal prices, we will celebrate. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Fed's mesters want more progress on inflation before ending interest rate hikes. Of course they do. But are we going to get a 0.5 though? Good afternoon from Uganda. Yay, there's Zach. Thank you to all of those of you that have signed in and left a comment on Ali Tisro's blog. Thank you very much indeed. I've done it. Only some of you done it. Nowhere near the 14 that said you were going to do it, did it? Anyway, just saying. So anyway, the overall portfolio is up 1.21 despite what Tesla's doing. So look, 168. I've got a buy at 160. I'm not going to split hairs. My last was 170. If I can get it for 160, I'll get it for 161. You know, as long as it's a dramatic change. Can someone do me a quick calculation? Can someone do me a quick calculation, please? Someone got a calculator handy? What's the percentage drop from 170 to 160? If I buy it for 170 and I buy it for 160, what is the percentage discount I've just got? If I bought it at 170 and then I got a discount and I bought it for 160, what is the percentage drop? If someone could work that out, that would be brilliant. And tell me, what would be my discount if I bought it at 170 and then I bought it at 160? What would be my discount? Right, let's go through. Oh, now also, you know I've always said for clarity, you can see my entire portfolio here. Obviously, there's a slight adjustment to that now. 2.2%, is that all? It's not much, then, is it? 2.7, it's not much. It's not much. Right, okay. Right, so for clarity, look, I've removed my Bitcoin, my crypto, from Robinhood. So my balance is missing a bit of money. So let's share with you my ledger. This is my ledger. This is how much money I've got in Bitcoin that was purchased on Robinhood. I bought some more yesterday and I removed it yesterday. Just so you know, you are completely... It's important that my portfolio is, shows you that as well. So there you go. So that's added to that. So if you like, I'm 42.3, just to give it some context. All right, very, very important. Approximately 5.9%. Hang on, I'm getting a lot of difference of opinion here. It shouldn't be. Someone knows how to do it. I know how to do it. I just can't do it right now. You just use a calculator, guys. No guessing. Oh, hang on a minute. I've just realised TikTok aren't getting a very good experience. My resolution needs upgrading on TikTok on YouTube. There we go. 240. See that? Look. That's why it's important to set your resolution. For those of you watching YouTube, we just had the discussion earlier. I broadcast in 2K apparently, according to Shad. So how that works is go below the video and look, there's a little cog here. Click on the cog and you can set it to 1440 if you want to. Better audio and better visuals. Some people are not aware that's the case. Because if you've got it to auto, it might have just started at a low resolution for you, and you might be missing out. Anyway, 5.9%. Oil giant BP is a buy as fundamentals remain strong. City says in upgrade. The Church of Logic. Can it grow on your wallet? Yes, of course it can. Of course it can. That I just shared with you my ledger, right? This is my wallet, but be fully clear what this means. This is the amount of Bitcoin I have on the blockchain, right? That's its current value. It's currently worth 595. It changes. Oh, I'm not sharing it with you. All right. As the value goes up or down, that value changes. Look, 595.92. It will change. If Bitcoin changes, that will change. Yes. But remember, my Bitcoin does not sit on my ledger. It's just the keys that access the blockchain. My Bitcoin always lived on the blockchain. It just meant the keys to my crypto, to my Bitcoin, was owned by Robinhood. Now they're owned by me. That's the difference, okay? What exactly is a ledger? This is a ledger. If you've bought any crypto and you've not learned by now, you should remove it from the block from your exchange. This is a ledger. Let me get it in focus. That is a ledger. If I turn it on, that is a ledger. It's hard to get the focus if I'm in this picture. There you go. There you go. That's a ledger. It's asking for my PIN. Anyway, whatever. It's just a little device that creates my keys. I'm just going to turn it off. There we go. And then I can link it to this app. But basically, the clever part is actually on the ledger itself. Okay? And I've removed my Bitcoin from my exchange. In my case, it was Robinhood. And it's a cold wallet. It's offline. No one's got access to my keys online. They are physically in that thing there. And that's it. And that's how I do it. Amazon. Someone said Amazon. Any idea? Amazon. Here's my Amazon position. 0.64. So if you are actually owning crypto, you need to remove it and put it on your ledger. And for those of you that don't know, I do have an Amazon shop, and it's not my Amazon shop. It's Amazon. I've just got a referral to it, and if you use my link to my shop and you buy anything at all, and you are a member, members only, I will give you 50% back of what I get from Amazon. All right, as a referral, cost you nothing at all. Here is my Amazon shop. All right, so these are the things as well. You know, you talked about my Christmas list. These are the things that I use and like. You could get any of these things as well. But there's the ledger. There's the ledger. Look, so if you bought that ledger there, and I earned $10 in commission from it, it doesn't cost you anything. I would give you $5 back. All right, okay. So talking of that, I'm going to check now if I've got any money to give anybody back. I'm going to go onto Amazon now, my affiliate program, and I'm going to see if I've got any purchases from anybody. There you go, Bill. You asked, would it go up? Look, it's now 596.27. It was 596.25. See that? Look, it's gone up. It keeps going up. I don't even need to refresh it. It just goes up by itself. That's the value that I have on the blockchain. All right. Okay. The overall portfolio is moving up. We're just 15 minutes ago. Will Coinbase be the only exchange left? I think they're all going to go bang. Because they're all run the same way. I don't have any money on any of them. I don't trust those people at all. Anyway. So let me have a look now. This is where I go to see if anyone has bought anything in the last 7 days. No. Right, this is where I will see it. Look, this is where I will see it. If somebody has bought something, it will say here. It will say, you know, Churchy has bought a ledger, and I earn $5, and I will give him $2.50 back. So, all right, that's how it works. Okay, so no one has bought anything using my Amazon Prime, my Amazon links. Okey-doke, and it's free to do that. Whatever, even if you buy stuff for Christmas, if you just use my link to go onto Amazon, you will get cash back through me. Okay. Anyway, can buy one on Martyn's Amazon? Yes, you can. I mean, whatever. If you just use my Amazon shop, let me give it to you in the chat, and use this to access Amazon to buy anything for Christmas. If I earn a small commission on it, you will get half of it back. All right. Only members only. It doesn't cost you anything at all, right? Anyway. The overall portfolio is at 1.19. We've got no orders coming through at the moment. Let me go back to the latest score for Denmark and Tunisia. Here we go. It's 58 minutes in. So we're into the second half now. Is 0-0. We've got Mexico and Poland coming up shortly as well. All right, there we go. So let's go back to the main portfolio a minute. And you know what we need to do? We've got a quick commercial break because I've got 24 watching and only 17 likes. So everyone's got to smash the like button or I'm going to run a commercial. And you're too late. I'm going to run a commercial right now. See you back in 10 seconds. You were warned. You were warned. All right, we're back now again. Okay, the overall portfolio is up 1.2. Will Coinbase be the only exchange left? Well, I don't know. No one does. Unfortunately, they're all based around the same principles, so I don't see how they could survive at all, but we shall see in time. We shall see. We are now just up 1.28. Let's see what's moving. Let's have a look at crypto this morning. Ethereum is going back up. I've given up on it. I've decided if Ledger's currently unavailable on your Amazon shop. Ledger's currently unavailable. Yeah, everyone's buying them. Everyone's buying them, Peter. That's why. Anybody want to buy mine for $10,000? That includes all the Bitcoin on it. How about that? I could do that, actually. If anybody wants to pay me $1,000 for my Bitcoin, for my Ledger, it's a Ledger plus $600 worth of Bitcoin. I'll give you the keys are on it. I just give you the phrase, it's yours, right? How about that? That's not a bad idea, is it? Who wants to buy? If you can't buy a Ledger, why not buy one with some Bitcoin on it? Am I allowed to do that? I don't know. Do what I like, I suppose, can't I? Anyway, it's quite funny, really, if you think about it. Yeah, I've been looking to buy some more Ethereum, but do you know what? I just think, you know, the whole thing now around Bitcoin, crypto, the whole lot is 99% of all the coins are going to disappear, right? Most of the exchanges are going to disappear. I think if you're going to buy into crypto, just buy one. Just simplify it. I don't use it. You know, I've now given up on this idea of the use case scenario. You buy it because you can use it. I think that's ridiculous. And I tell you why I think that now is because I told you before, I've got bank accounts in different parts of the world, right? Nothing special about that. It's only because I've lived in different parts of the world. So I've opened bank accounts, and using TransferWise, an app I've got, I can send money to England. I can send money to anybody. Anybody here, we can send money. We send money with Cash App. It's free. We send money on PayPal. It's free if you're friends. We send money on, you know, large sums of money with my TransferWise into different bank accounts. It cost me a couple of dollars. It's like nothing. We can do that. We can get cash back on credit cards. If you pay them off at the end of the month, you don't pay any interest. It's free money. We've got all that facilities. So we don't need it. So as far as I'm concerned, if you're going to buy some crypto and Bitcoin or whatever, simplify your life. Buy one, buy the main one, buy the biggest one, I don't know, and just hold it. And only buy it when it goes down. Don't buy it when it goes up. Everyone jumps on. Because you know when it starts going up, which it will at some point, everyone's going to start buying it. And I'm going to go, I'll be going, why are you all buying it now when it was 16 grand? Or when it was, my last one was 15.8, I think. My last buy, no, it was 15.7. Yeah, my last buy was 15.7. So why would I buy it at 16.1? I bought it at 15.7. And I bought all I need. And if it goes to 15, like 14 or 30, I'll buy some more, and that's it. And then never sell it. And I tell you what, if you put it on a ledger or a hard wallet, it actually encourages you not to sell it and just hold it. And that's what will put the price up. If you remove it from your hardware wallet, if you remove it to your hardware wallet, you just sit there. But just understand, it's very, very easy. Oh, this is an important thing to say as well, very quickly. Very, very quickly. If you transfer from your exchange to your wallet, hard wallet, soft wallet, whatever you like, the network fee changes dramatically. So if it's expensive, just don't do it. Now, I transferred $500 for 13 cents the other day. Last night, to test the theory, I transferred $100 for 47 cents. 47 cents for 100 and 13 cents for 500. That just shows you how dramatically the network fees are, and that's because everybody now is trying to do it, and the network is busy, so the miners are charging more money. So just come, if you think it's expensive. So for me now, I have found the best price, 13 cents. So if I do it again, I'm looking to do it for 13 cents. So just check it later on at night, check it in the morning. Oh, it's 13 cents now. I'll do it now. Don't pay too much. Don't pay too much. Right. We've got just 5 minutes to go. All this information, guys, can you believe it? The information you get here. 1.27 up. How many likes did we get in the end? 21 likes. Okay, pretty good. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, smash the like button, and let us know you're here. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's have a quick look across and see if we've got any subscribers to today's show. 5516. No. How many have come through the stream so far? It averages 200 by the end of the show. We're at 51 so far, so we're on track. We're on track. Bit quiet though. I noticed we're busier on really green days, but anyway, 5 minutes till the market opens. Yes, let's get ready to roll. Up 0.49. Oh, we're getting a drop now. Where's that coming from? Virgin Galactic is down. Is up, but just dropping back. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, 169. It touched 168. I've got a buy at 160. At 160, I'll probably buy 2, actually, to lower that average. It's not lowering fast enough because I'm buying 1 every 10 bucks. Good morning. I'm always watching while I work. Ryan Colt, I love that. I love people who do this. We've got a few, actually. We've got Muzanella, one of our biggest members, in fact, probably our biggest investor. He watches with his clients, and he's an active trader in charge of other people's client accounts. And he says, I watch you all the time, but you're on mute because I have you in my office and with my clients. And obviously, I can't have you going, all that stuff, doing all that while I'm doing $1 million contract with someone. That wouldn't work. Anyway, Ryan Colson, I'm always watching while I'm at work. Thank you so much indeed. All right. Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Arrival, Amazon, Apple. Any big swings today? Any opportunities? I've got buy orders on every single thing. Oh, Coca-Cola, 5.37. Look at that. I feel a bit like Warren Buffett now, with all these dividends I'm going to get on Coca-Cola. Oh, I forget how many millions of dollars he earns a year from doing absolutely nothing. It's brilliant. Just by holding Coca-Cola. Good luck, everyone. Okay, 3 minutes to go. That's nice. Good luck. We like that, Ed Nevius. Thanks, mate. Brilliant. Sign your ledger and sell it. Yeah, sign your ledger. Someone just said sign your ledger and sell it. So I could sign my ledger, right, with my $600 of Bitcoin on it. Plus, you can't even buy a ledger, so it's very, very rare. So you get a ledger. I will give you my keys, and I will sign it for $1,000. Who wants it? So basically, you're getting the crypto for $600. You're getting, which is what it's worth today, so that's fine. You're getting the ledger worth $200, which is $800, and then you're paying $200 because you can't get one anywhere else with my signature on it. There you go, brilliant. I just subscribed to you, Ryan. Hey, Ryan Carlson, you got a free subscriber from Mike. All right, Coca-Cola going up. 1.5 minutes to go, and you too, Ed. Look at that, brilliant. Good old Mike, he supports everyone, doesn't he? There we go. Just coming up to the time. 1.5 minutes to go. What's dropping? Microsoft. Look at Meta. SoFi. Buy orders everywhere. Buy orders everywhere. They're all placed. Walmart everywhere. Target. Yep. Ryan plays a mean sax, does he? Here we go. One coming up to the minute. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Smash the like button, everybody. We need 30 likes by the time the clock reaches 0. The bell's going to go. We need 30 likes. Subscribe, ring the bell. Let us know you're here. We're about to go into the lightning round. We've got buy orders everywhere. and let's get smashed a like. We've got 25 likes now. We need 30 likes by the time the bell goes. Here we go. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. We've got 30 seconds to go before the bell goes. The markets are dropping a little bit. How many different stocks do you have by now? About 50, but I'll go through my entire portfolio for you. If you come onto YouTube and you are a member, I will gladly do that. But I think you're a subscriber on Twitch as well, right? Okay, here we go. 14 seconds to go. We've got 26 likes. We need 4 more likes in 10 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're off. Where are we going right now? How are we going to get back up to 42,000 today? Here we go. We're just dropping off at the moment. We're at 0.86. But there it goes. Right, have we got a buy order coming in? Are we going to get a buy order this morning? Let's have a look. Okay, so the S&P 500 is holding up. It's up 0.5. It must be, yeah, Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit. 268 is a buy. Tesla, there it is, 168. My buy is 160. I'm thinking I'll buy 2 at 160. I'm thinking I'll buy 2 at 160. If we get to 160 and then 3 at 150. That's kind of where I'm thinking it's going. Anyway, we shall see. 168. 168. Down she goes. Down she goes. The overall portfolio is now 0.23. Let's start from the other end today. Ethereum is up 2.63. There we go. Bitcoin is up today at 2%. 16,000. My last order was in at 5,000. Sorry, 15.7. BSV is also up. I've not been able to transfer that yet because BSV is not available on Ledger. It's Bitcoin Cash is. So I'm considering swapping my Bitcoin SV for my Bitcoin. I don't know what you think about that. Anyone think about that's a good idea? Do you think to swap it? Anyway, what do you think? So glad I took profit on Tesla. Yeah, wish I did as well. Enphase Energy down 0.5. Ginkgo Bioworks up 0.47. The overall portfolio is rebounding back. It's down 0.36. Tilray Brands is down 0.8, but still up 7.63. On is up 1.64. I'm out of it at the moment. I'm in Photronics instead. Canoe is down at a 6%. Canute Gove is down 6% today. What a drop that is. I've got an order placed at $1. There you go. $1. Am I going to get Canoe today at $1? Is it going to go to $1 today? And buy 110? Very, very close. I'll buy, I think, 100 at $1. I bought at 110 yesterday, and now we're looking for $1. Tesco, I am now up in the money for the very first time on Tesco's. There we go. Look at that. I am now up in the money. Tesco's, finally. Let's go look at it. Look, this is the range. It's now hitting the bottom. Look, it bounces above here. Tesco is now up for the very first time. I've got a big position in it for me. It's 4% of my portfolio. Looking very nice indeed, so I'm very happy with that. Finally making money with Tesco's. Good. Target, 159. That's up today. Nice. Up 6% overall. Walmart is up. I'm up 24% on Walmart. It's top as well. Should I sell it? IonQ is up today, 0.42. Let's fly back to Tesla very, very quickly. 170. It bounced off the 168. Load up on Rumble at 850. I don't like Rumble. I don't like it. The fact they just share your content to their YouTube channel just looks a bit scammy to me. I don't like it. I don't think that makes any sense whatsoever. There's nothing they're doing that's that clever. Rumble, what they do, they pick your video, they share it onto their YouTube channel, and their YouTube channel is monetized, and then you earn money from it. I get it. I could do that for anybody. Anyone could put a video on my channel. I would upload it, and the money I get, I give to you. Basically, that's what Rumble do. That would make me Rumble. I don't see it. I don't see it's proprietary. YouTube, Google's far better. I know everyone's loving it right now, like everyone loves TikTok right now, but I don't see that as a long-term investment. Not for me anyway. Not for me. Rumble is awesome and major networks are on it. No censorship. No, I get it. I get it. That doesn't worry me though. I don't mind censorship in a respect. Like my music gets copyright flags because it's other people's music. It should. The songwriter should earn the money. If I steal someone's content, someone should get the benefit from it. I get it. I don't like this complete no censorship, do what you like, say what you want. I don't know if that's the way forward at all. They have their own platform to watch on too. Yes, I know. I've looked into it. And I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to broadcast to it. Be a pimp, says Nets Pharrell. What's that? They do more than that. No, I know they've got their own platform. I get it. Scalp only, yeah. Same here, Mike. Also, Church, I got it too. How many different stocks do you own? I will come back to that. I will try and explain that, share that with you in a minute. Up 1 point, up, right. We're right on the button right now. Let's have a look at Tesla. Right, 170. Doesn't want to go to 160. I've got it at 160 to buy. And I think we pointed out it was only a 2%, 2.7 discount. It's not that much. So I'm going to stick to 170. It's very easy to get all excited, like, 168, 167, 166. If you do that, you run out of money very, very quickly. And also, you don't lower your averages that much either. If you want to bring your average down, if you want to lower your base price, if you want to get a safe portfolio, you've got to get it when it drops 10, 15%, not 1%, 0.5%. You'll do it over and over again. You'll never get anywhere. So 169 right now. What are we doing? Tesla? Where are we going today? Right, we're just off and running. Let's see how many people are with us. Let's have a quick look. We're up to now 62. Doing all right. Overall portfolio is just up 0.19. Let's check our Bitcoin now. This is my money on my ledger. And you can see if, there we go. You see how it's just changed. Bill asked me the question. See how it's changed? The value has changed. It's now 48 cents at the end. It changes automatically by itself. Even though it lives on my ledger, that is the value of the Bitcoin that I hold. Okay, I've got 0.03688. I would love to own one Bitcoin, and I think it's possible now. If Bitcoin goes down to 9 grand, 8 grand, 7 grand, there's a very good chance I could actually own one Bitcoin. There's a chance. Keep nudging away. There's a chance. Anyway, let's have a look. Just psychologically be kind of cool, wouldn't it? Easy way to fascism is to silence the masses. I'm up right now. One's filled. ONCS filled. Filed. Right, okay. Let me have a little look. Churchy wants me to check something. Let me just check it. Let me come back to the main portfolio a second. Some breaking news here as well. Breaking news I want to bring to you very, very quickly. We've got 77 minutes into the Denmark-Tunisia game. It is 0-0. Mexico and Poland coming up later on this morning. That will get to keep our eye on the football for you as well. Right, Churchy wanted to see NTDOY. Nintendo. He loves his gaming, doesn't he? Soccer, you mean football. Nintendo is up 0.87 this morning. It's bouncing around a bit. This is not a stock I would invest in. It's not really for me. It doesn't interest me at all to invest in this. But there you go. Gives you an idea where we are. We're moving around today. Where is it over the week? Yeah, we got a bounce back this week. Look, it's up today, 0.38. All down. Look at that, look. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. Nintendo is garbage. It's not for me. I think there are better opportunities. They had a stock split. Is that what's happened? It's moving around a lot. Switch is a portable PS2. Anyway, there we go. There's Nintendo for Churchy. Right, we're down. Here we go. So, have we got any buys coming through? The S&P 500, long way away from my all-time lows. Nintendo there for Churchy. Virgin Galactic, $5. We don't want to see it break 5. Psychologically, we don't want to go down there again. I'm up 1.49. I've got a buy order at 4. Virgin Orbit is $3. I'm looking for the 268. When's the flight's going to happen? No information from Virgin Orbit. Very, very bad communication. I can't find it out anywhere. 169 Tesla. Where are we losing money? Rivian's going down. 28. I cannot believe that all the profit has gone from Rivian. I was up 30% on Rivian. I've got a buy order at 26. My gosh, look at that. I've never been out of the money on Rivian. I'm amazed. What happened to Rivian? This week, 18%. What happened to Rivian? What the hell happened to Rivian? I've never been out of the money on Rivian. What's the news? EV companies on the rise. The battle for the top EV manufacturer is only just beginning. Mullen Automotive, Benzinga. What's all that about? Oh, God, Mullen again. They estimated they beat on earnings. I don't know why Rivian is going down that much, but it's okay. I'll buy more. I've got what have I got there? I've got limit price at 26. Wow. I was up 30% on Rivian. That just shows you how much you can lose so quickly like that. Wow. Anyway, I mean, what does everybody think about this? Right, I've got half of you want to watch the football with me. Okay. How many of you think this? I think Market Profit does this. Forget the long-term hold. If you buy something and you're up, give yourself a number, 20%. Let's say you say 20%. And then you just sell at 20%. If I make 20%, I sell it. Don't care, don't hold, I just sell it. I make 20%, I'm done. What do you think about that theory? Because I was up 30% on Rivian and now I'm literally about to lose money on it. What do you think? Yeah, look, I'm $3 away from losing money on Rivian. Can you believe it? What do you think? Is that a good strategy? Look, take Walmart, for example. Walmart, great company, brilliant. Okay, get it. I'm up 24%. Let's say I set 24% as my number. 24%. If I'm up 24%, I sell it. That is the question I was about to ask. If you do sell, what's the next thing? Presumably, are you done? Are you never going to come back to the stock market again? That's it. You're finished. You're retired. How do you buy back? That's the question. If you look at Walmart, for example, a good solid company, over time it goes up and down along the journey, but over time it goes up, it grows, right? So if I sell it now at near the peak, I take 24%. Hooray! I've made $238. Brilliant. I've a good investment. I invested in the company. I made myself 24%. Way more than I'd have got in the bank. Brilliant. I've made money. Fantastic. Now, what is the point of buying back at 5% down from here? What's the point of that? What's the point of that? I want to buy back at that price. Well, I'm never going to get that price again. Now, you might say, well, if you buy down 5%, when it goes down 5%, you think it's going to grow again and do it all over again. So you make another 24% and you got 5% discount from when you sold. I get that, but things can go wrong. Things can have bigger dips and take some time to recover. You could end up being out of the money for a while if you did that. Whereas if you hold it long term, statistically over the period of time, and that's what it's all about, you know, in the future you're going to be better off than you are today. Overall, you'll make more money. So it's a difficult one, isn't it? What do you think? Let's see what everyone thinks. That's great, but where do you get back in? See, that's it. That's exactly what we're saying. Walmart is a hold stock. Rivian is garbage, says Arnold the Palmer. And if you get back in, you then may end up 20% down. Exactly. Buy back later. Yeah, but overall, buy back later, you may never get those prices again. And we are in a time now, I was up 200% on Tesla, never sold, and I regret it. There you go. I feel the same. I feel the same. At one point on Tesla, I was up to the old money of 1,200. What's that? $400 a share I was at one point. I was up 2.5 grand. I'm now down 3. That's a 5.5 grand swing. But you have to remind yourself, though, when I was up 2 grand, I owned a quarter of the amount of Tesla that I own today. Because it was so expensive, I only owned a couple of shares. Well, now I own 49. Now, I know it's split, 3-way split. I get all that. But I own a lot more because I've been able to buy it cheaper. So, anyway, what does everybody think about that? That's the way I feel about Rivian and Tesla. Yeah, we all do. That's the point, isn't it? That's the point. Are you going to just sell at 20% every time and just, I mean, you know, did you know that Rivian would come back down again? No. I always said that it was a $30 stock. Stand by what I say. Any price round here is the price to get in. I don't think Rivian's going to keep going down. It's got plenty of money. It's got a good future, I think. But anyway, I've got an order at 26. We shall see. But I'm okay holding Tesla. But not holding Rivian. The good old trade and invest debate. Yeah, the good old. Yeah, you're never going to get an answer for it because someone who wins on one side will tell you that was the best way of doing it. Everyone's crazy, but me. Could always hold a few shares on the stock and keep adding more every time it goes down 5%. You're always going to make profit as long as it goes up again. I like that. The third day of the row, NASDAQ has been in the red. Third day in a row, NASDAQ has been in the red. Thank you for that information, Church. There you go. Rivian's coming back up again now. Look at Tesla's pre-COVID price. It was pumped up with stimulus checks and FOMO buyers. The price is still bloated, in my opinion, says 22. 5 gallons of peanut oil is $50. What? I keep buying lower, then I sell around 30 to 40% as it reaches peak. That's what Shad does. That's what Shad does. Loving Disney for a swing. Interesting new moves to come. There you go. Disney. They've got a new CEO now. It's the Bobs. It's the battle of the Bobs. Shad, T-Hats are the best start. Right, let's go back to main portfolio and see where we are. We'll come back up again now. We didn't get any buys. This is what I keep saying over and over again. Has the market bottomed? Has it bottomed? I've got buy orders for everything, and I've got nothing. I got 1 or 2 shares yesterday, but hardly anything. The big news of the day, though, is SoFi now being investigated because it's a regulatory bank. It abides by rules that banks abide by, and yet it holds crypto. And everyone's like, hang on a minute. Did you have access to FTX? Blah, blah, blah. So just bear that in mind. All right. It's time for a quick commercial break. We've got 28 likes, 31 watching. Smash the like button if you've just tuned in. Subscribe, ring the bell, help support the channel. The more likes we get, the more times YouTube will share the videos out to more people. All right. You're never going to regret making profit. You will regret. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. If I'd sold at Tesla and made 3 grand, absolutely. It's profit. It doesn't matter if it goes to 1 million. That's greed, isn't it? It's greed. Maybe that's a good policy, you know? Just if you're up 30%, sell it. Don't care. There's no volume or direction. Fed minutes tomorrow may move it one way or the other. Fed minutes tomorrow. Yes, the Fed minutes tomorrow. We are looking for it tomorrow. Thank you, 22. Does I've not done the research yet. Does anyone know what time the Fed minutes are published, please? And we shall cover it tomorrow. Anyway, I'm completely confused. Where am I? There I am. Right, quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Don't go away. Okay, we're back once again with you. And here is our quick commercial break. Right. It's in the afternoon for you. Yeah, it's normally at 1:30 p.m. It's in the closing bell. It's in between. It's in the lunch break. I agree with you, 22. There's no direction. Absolutely. The bear market is, I think, running out of steam. I think we may have bottomed by now. I think the bear market is getting tired. I was studying bear market history last night, and I learned that after a while, the bears get tired of it. It goes on for like 6 to 12 months, and then it just gets pointless. Everyone gets tired of it and just sees that there's no direction anymore. It starts slowing down. We sit at a lull. No one knows what to do anymore. The shorts have been done. We're all kind of sat doing nothing now, and then you have to buy in again. So I'm not saying we're about to enter a bull market at all, but are we bottoming out? I mean, I've got buy orders for everything, and nothing's bought today. Nothing's bought today at lower prices. Nothing. Not even Rivian, who's crashed down. I've got see, it's come straight back up. I got 26 and nothing. So nothing at all. Lucid. Oh, this is close. I've got an order to buy at 10. Look at Lucid. I've got an order to buy at 10. I ordered to buy at 10. Lucid. Great car, great company. I now see they're doing commercials on TV. Something that Tesla never need to do, by the way. If you look at the chart on SPX, since the peak, it's at a really important level, right at the top of a downward channel. Okay, so is it going to break through? That's the question you're putting it to me, isn't it? Let's have a little look, see if I can share that with you, the overall markets today. Let's have a little look at the SPX. Here we go. And let me share this a minute. Let me share with you the SPX. This is the S&P 500 over the week. Look, keeps bouncing off that point. See it? Whatever number that is. What number is that? 3971. 3971 keeps bouncing off that. So where do we go? It's hit its high at the top of the range twice and dropped from it. Yes, 22. That's exactly what we're looking at right now. As you can see, it's look at the year to date. Chart unavailable. I don't know why this happens on Apple, on Yahoo Finance. I very often get chart unavailable. I have no idea why that is. Not even 6 months, not even 3. Isn't it weird? I have no idea why that is. Anyway, over the last month, though, that's what I'm more interested in. I'm always interested in the ones that look green, you know. If it's like up, I go, I'm interested in this one. So anyway, it's up one. Over the month, it's up. Being a bit slow today, isn't it? We'll come back to it. But anyway, you're absolutely right. It's bounced off that 3 times. It's up 0.49 at the moment. But there you go. That 3971 position there, it's bounced off it. So let's see what happens this time. Or try 1 year. I know it doesn't do it. Is the 1 year going to load? Let's see what happens. I've no idea why this happens like this. Right, Lucid 1003, 1004. I've got to buy at 10. It's only a number. It's not any particular reason. No, unavailable. There you go. No idea what that is. Right, Lucid 1003. The channel I'm referring to starts with the year-to-date high on SPX. You can draw a straight line down, touching all the peaks, and we are at the top of it right now. Okay. So we've got that resistance line to break through, and then will it become support? That's what we're talking about. Lucid right now. Let's have a quick look at the markets around the world to give you some context. to give you an idea. So New Zealand opened up first. They ended up down. Australia ended up 0.59. Japan ended up 0.6. We're still open at the Hang Seng. They're down 1.3. Into Europe, they're having a good day. The DAX Germany is up 0.31. The FTSE London is up 0.69. And of course, we've opened here today. The Dow is up 0.51. The Nasdaq is up 0.1. New York Stock Exchange is up 0.56 and the SPX is up 0.38. So everything's looking reasonable this morning. Lucid is now at 10.04. I've got a buy at 10. 10.03. How many am I buying? I'm buying 20. 20. I'm buying 20 at 10. So, 20 at 10. That's close enough to me. I'm watching it live. I can just do it. I could let it go. Edit. It's close enough. It's close enough for me. There you go. There you go. It's close enough. Got it at 20. I got it 10.03. Because I'm watching it, I could have left the order, but it's right there. It's going down. There we go. I could have got it for 10 if I just waited a second, but there you go. My average has now dropped to 24%. Sorry, my average has now dropped to 13.32. That's enough. I'll set an order now for 9. A buy, a limit. So we haven't reached bottom then. Limit order. No, we haven't. Now we're going to go for a 10% discount. $9 a share. Limit price, 9. I'll buy 20 at that level. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Good. Review the order. There you go. At $9. There you go. I've got a big enough position in Lucid. I like it. Like the car. I think the car's phenomenal. They've got money for another year and a half, I think. So that's looking all right. Done. What's the reason? Any news why that's happening? Lucid Gravity, a luxury electric SUV with breathtaking performance and seating up to 7. Reservations open early 2023. It missed on earnings. We know about that. Okay. Okay. So there we go. I had a buy at 10. It would have gone through if I'd held for a couple more seconds. Maybe it's going to go lower. But I did it at 10.03 to make sure I got it because I was watching it. And I'm happy with that. I've now set a buy order at 9 for 20 shares. That's a 10% discount. That I can work out. Anyway, we shall see what happens next. The overall portfolio is down 0.54, 0.79. So the answer is we've not bottomed, have we? Not yet. There's more buys coming in. The S&P is holding up. Virgin Galactic is back up again. Doesn't want to go below that 5. Look at that. 4.99. It went to 4.99 and bounced straight back up. That's interesting. Psychologically, that is. Right. Virgin Orbit went down as low as 2.96. Football finished 0-0. Let's cover that. Here we go. We got the next game about to begin, or shortly, anyway, another hour yet. We've got Denmark 0, Tunisia 0, full time. Mexico and Poland, both very good teams. Mexico and Poland are both very good teams. France should whip Australia easily. And then tomorrow we got Morocco, Croatia, Germany, Japan. That'll be a good game. But there you go. We've got there's the full-time score for you right now. Anyway, thank you, Andrew Grady. All right. Now then, Virgin Orbit. Tesla, 166. Still falling. How far is it going to go? Rivian. Ariba did it. Who we putting the parley on? Who we putting the parley on? I have no idea what that means. Who we putting the parley on? I ain't got a clue. Ariba did it. A Morocco money line, says Churchy. Right, Rivian. Rivian's now in the green again. Did you buy it today when it dropped? It didn't go to 26, so I didn't buy any more. Lucid, it's popped up from that $10. So I bought it at 10.03. I've got a money set at $9. So there you go. I'm up on it. I'm up on it now. Let's see. It's had 18% the last week. I'm down 24%. I only bought 20 shares. Obviously, if I'd bought a lot more, I could have lowered my average, but I only bought 20. But be very careful, because if it goes to 9, I want to get there as well. Amazon coming back up. So we're getting some recoveries now. We had a sell-off. Now everything's recovering. Got buy orders for everything. So the answer to the question is, we've got to reset the clock. We've not reached bottom. Today, we hit another new low. So my portfolio has not bottomed out yet. Let's look what Meta's doing today. Down 0.97, down 6% now on Meta. SoFi, still falling. I've got orders at, I think it's $4 now. Or $4.50. $4.50. IonQ coming back up again. The whole market seems to be coming back up again at this point. Yeah, everything's bouncing back now. Let's go over to our Bitcoin. Bitcoin today is 16.1. So if I go over to my ledger and have a little look at what my Bitcoin is now worth, I will share with you on the screen. This is removed from my portfolio. 593 is my Bitcoin. There it is. On my ledger, it's off the exchange. So I can add that to my balance. All right. So if we add my overall portfolio, 41.4. I've got 42,000 then, basically. If we bring the two together, we're green. We're having a green day. We had our big sell-off this morning. And now we are in the green. That's good. And no one is really trading. You can feel it. You can feel it with the comments I'm getting, with the amount of people that are searching for my videos, for what they're searching for. I can see what videos are trending. You can see no one knows where the markets are going. No one's buying or selling. This could be an indicator that we are bottoming. There's like not much, the bears are getting tired of it going down. No one's doing anything. Holiday distracting people. I don't know what's going on. The markets seem pretty flat. Nothing going on. Agreed. People seem stuck. Yeah. So, statistically, mathematically, historically, we are due a bull run. If you look at it, the amount of time we've been in the bear market, we've just been holding on, nothing to get excited about, but at the end of the year. Well, just could be positive for another, a new year next year. Keep digging the ditches, keep preparing. Markets in maintenance mode until next week. That's what elongating telomere says. We've got a guest just joined us. Oh, he's a member. We've got a member here, a new member. Is this a brand new member? He's got a blue badge. When did you become a member? We've got someone here who I don't recognize that is a blue badge member. That means he's brand new. He's no more than a month old. I didn't even notice. If we just got a member during the show and didn't even notice, maybe. If you are, please let us know where you're from, cities and country, and we'd like to welcome you in. I don't know if we've missed you coming in as a member. We're up now. I'm going to go into my membership screen and see if you've just become a member. And if you did, I want to give you all your perks and benefits, and also want to welcome you in to the family. I don't know if we missed you. Memberships, let's have a little look. We've got 96 members now, by the way. It doesn't even show up. This must be someone who's just joined today. It doesn't even show up. So this must be somebody new who we didn't even notice joined. Yeah, I can't even see what level membership you are. You're not even showing up. It looks like we've got a mystery person. Mystery person here today. January will be the bull run, or February when tax returns come in. Well, I'll be there ready to go. All I know with the market is that I've lost 5,700 of my original amount of money I put in. Yeah, you don't want to ask me how much I've lost, mate. Welcome Elon from Palm Bay, Florida. There you go. You got a welcome there. We've got a mystery guest just stepped in. Someone has just joined. I didn't see them join. I don't know how they joined without it being alerted. And I don't know what membership level they are or anything. I've got no idea. It will show me probably tomorrow on my screen. That could be Peru. Yeah. It could be Elon Musk. We all know that Elon Musk loves my channel, and Richard Branson, and Michael Jackson, and Frank Sinatra. They all watch it. Right, so point 4. Hey, getting a rally. Let's have a look. Tesla, 169. Would have loved it. I was going to buy 2 at 160. Didn't get it. Didn't get the opportunity. So, anyway. Rivian. I didn't get a chance to buy there this morning, but I did get a chance to buy Lucid. I bought Lucid this morning at 10.03. Just 20 shares, but I've only got 170. So it made a bit of a difference. I think it brought my average down by about 4%. So it's worth doing. I've got an order to buy at 9. Anyway, we'll see how we do. Our Elon guest is remaining incognito. Did you Michael Jackson did you Michael Jackson watches from down there? Do you want to rephrase that, Queen of Logic, Queen of Braiding? Did you Michael Jackson watch? I don't even know what that means. I'm going to start putting rules here that people have to spell correctly. Lucid 1008. Anybody buy any Lucid today? Just because it's a great car doesn't mean it's a great company, right? Or Amazon. Bouncing back. I'm up 0.5%. Apple. Oh, it's coming stronger now. It's picking up speed. Did you say Michael Jackson watches from down there? Oh. From down there? Michael, I don't know. You're confusing me, Queen. I just said that Elon Musk watches my show. Richard Branson watches my show. And then I said Frank Sinatra and Elton and Michael Jackson watch my show. I'm just saying. You understand that how you like. Coca-Cola of 5%. I'm up 5.5% now. J&J. This is good because what we've got now, we've got some buying coming in because we've got the staples which often go up when the other stocks go down, but the stocks that normally go down are going up as well. So, Virgin Galactic, hang on, Tesla. Look, Tesla's not being dumped to buy J&J today. Google's moving up. Look, Microsoft is moving up. And Meta is moving up. I know Michael Jackson is dead. Unbelievable. That was the point. Oh my gosh, Queen. I know Michael Jackson is dead. Unbelievable. I managed to nab some at $10. Very, very good. Shad got some. Yeah, Mike's going. I could see the joke. I could see where Martin was going with that. Bloody hell. Michael Jackson is dead. I know he's dead. So is Frank Sinatra. There was the clue. Bloody hell. Queen, are you half asleep? What's going on here this morning with you? I think it's all that love for Church of Logic. Church of Logic. She's all like in love with Churchy, and she's all goo goo gaga, and she doesn't know what she's saying. Look at Tesla. It's breaking 170. We've not seen this for a bit. Look. Go on, Tesla. Frank. Is he? Is Frank Sinatra dead? I didn't realise. I had no idea. Lucid, here we go. I just bought another 20 shares at 10.03. So did Shad. Shad did it as well. Look, Shad, we've both got a good little position here. Look at that. We lowered our average. I got it down from like 28 to 23 right now. So I got about, 4%, 4% drop, I think, something like that. I've increased my position to quite a decent amount now, Lucid. That's not bad at all. 1,700, 1.8% of my portfolio. Next year will be telling me Ellis is no longer with us. Ellis, although he has not made any new albums recently. Elvis, bloody hell! Have I got to translate all this? You mean Elvis, right? Oh my gosh, I can't get over it sometimes. Although he has not made any new albums recently. Watching this, Michael is probably laughing. Yeah, Elvis. Unbelievable. Anyway, MJ is dead. Also mint in box with plastic. Look at Lucid go this morning. Lucid. I can hear my wife jingle jangling with a spoon. This can only mean one thing. This could be wife approaching with a tea or coffee. Look at Lucid go. Who picked it up? Mike, don't say thanks, Leah. She's not here yet. She's not come through the magic curtain. There she is. Thank you, Leah. Leah has come through the curtain. There it is. Right. Okay. Look at this. Very, very good. I don't know why I waited so much for the $10. Bang on. I had to wait to $9.97 to cover spread fees. Then it shot straight up. There you go. See that, Shad? I don't know why I waited so much for the $10. Bang on. I had to wait till $9.97 to cover spread fees. That is why I did it manually. That is why I did it manually, because I like it down at that price. Psychologically, it's a $10 price, and people will feel they don't want it to go below that, because that's, getting penny stock territory. $5 is a penny stock, remember. Even though my buy was at 10.03 was close enough. I mean, I could have had it for 10.02, but I don't really care. Anyway, watching from hell. Nits for Eld. Anyway, let's go over to our main portfolio. Right, there's 37 people watching and only 28 likes. Right, we need at least 30 likes in 1 minute. Okay, guys, help me out. Help me out now. Help me out. Look, there's 28 likes, 37 watching. Look, 28 likes, 37 watching. Just like the video. Help me out. Come on, guys, help me out. Smash the like button if you just tuned in. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Let's do it. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. With the real Satoshi. 29, one more like. We're doing it, we got, hey! There we go, Mr. Mini-Me. We get him off the screen, we broke 30 likes, I like it. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you for liking it. 31. Carry on going. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get back to the main trading screen again. I like it. Did you hear Elton John is releasing Builder's album? It'll be called I'm Still Standing. Right. Now listen here, Mark Corn. You have these ridiculously bad jokes on your TikTok channel. They do not belong on my channel. Okay? They do not belong. And as you all know, if we get a great joke, it's this. No, it's not. It's this. Right? If we get a bad joke, it's this. And that was a bad joke. And members only can do jokes. Members only can do jokes and get the sound effects, all right? Members only perk. Not much of a perk, that one, but it is. It's a members thing. Anyway, yeah, better to nab at 10.03 and you know you have it rather than kick yourself and missing it over a couple. Exactly. Now, it could go back down again. It's why I've got to buy at $9. But Lucid doesn't belong at this price, so I'm happy to buy some more. So, I'd like to know the news why it sold off so dramatically this morning. Anyway, we got Day Trader of the Day coming up straight after our quick commercial. No, not straight after this, but it's time to go to a commercial break just because I need to earn myself a cent per person. All right, be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, and we're back with you once again. Very good indeed. Let's go I think we need to make some videos this morning. There's a bit of work to do. All right, let's have a little look. Scroll down. Laugh my arse. Yeah, you can laugh your arse off. Yeah, your jokes belong on your channel. I've seen your channel. It's rude and crude. It's rude and crude. Hang on a minute. What's happened to the lights? That's weird. What's going on with TikTok? The filters are all weird. What the hell? That's a funny looking light. Why has it done that? I apologise why it looks a bit weird on TikTok. Look at that. Why has it done that? Everything's all lit up weird. Anyway, can't control TikTok. It's on your phone. If you want a quality broadcast, you've got to come to YouTube. What else can I say? Right, Lucid, it's just popped back. It's just falling back down again. So, the overall portfolio is up 1%. What is Tesla doing now? Tesla is 170. 1769. What about Virgin Galactic? It's dropped back down again. So, let's do a couple of I need to do a couple of videos because I haven't made any money for ages. 148. Let's bring some interesting news, right? So 1 hour 48. Let's go through a few things here. I want to cover really important stuff. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Stock markets. What are we doing right now? Nobody knows. We're up, we're down, we're left, we're right. Not much going on. You can tell that by my search or for my videos that I get in search, what people want to know. The markets are preparing for tomorrow's Fed minutes. That's what's happening. And of course, we have a very short week as well. We're not here on Thursday for Thanksgiving and only a half a day on Friday. So are the bears running out of steam? Has my portfolio hit bottom? And I'm measuring it because I'm setting buy orders on everything, and I'm very rarely being able to buy stuff. Today I bought some Lucid, and that's another video. We'll discuss that in a minute. But this is made during a live video. This is my portfolio. You can see it dropped this morning. It bounced right back again. And things are just going sideways. There's not much volume. There's not much excitement in the markets. And if it's your very first time here and you'd like to support my channel, please smash the like button. It'd be really appreciated. And go and give us a subscribe there as well. Ring the bell. I bring breaking news throughout the day. But today we are here all day trading because we're getting ready for a short week. I do predict that the markets have approached or very close to a bottom. I've said it before and I was wrong, but my portfolio is struggling to buy anything. Any of my value stocks, my growth stocks are harder and harder to buy. This morning I did manage to pick up a bit more Lucid. I tried to buy some more Tesla, but it hasn't gone down. But what do you think? Is the overall market about to turn bullish? Is the bear market running out of steam? Leave your comments below. I reply to all your comments, and very often my comments go into a draw for a cash prize we do every Friday. If you want to join us on a live show, here is the link to the live show. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail on that one there. Okay. Okay, markets, and let's also look at this morning. We also want to talk about breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. I should have posted that. Oh, if I should have posted that when you said it, that would have been good. What was breaking news? I missed it. What was the breaking news? You got to understand how the video comes out. You're watching it during a live show. If someone hasn't watched a show all day, it's my breaking news. It's my video. It's live. It's premiered. It's coming out. I don't know. Flipping hell. Right, the S&P 500. I want to talk about that for a minute. No, that was covered on the main market. Nintendo. We won't talk about Nintendo. Virgin Galactic. I will talk about Virgin Galactic. I need to do Bitcoin first. Bitcoin first, because Bitcoin, right. Bitcoin. BTC. Okay. It's just a good way. Markets doing nothing. Breaking news, markets doing nothing. Right. I'd say that. I could do that in my next video then. Breaking news, nothing's happening here. Right, breaking news. Okay. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it just because you lot are annoying me now. I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to do it. Here we go. I'm going to do it. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We're having a bit of joke about that this morning. Here's one of my members here, 22. What was the breaking news? I missed it. Breaking news, the markets are doing nothing. But we're talking about Bitcoin in this video. And also we got from ETORO, news alert, nothing is happening here. Nothing is happening here. The markets are very at the moment. They're absolutely right. All my members are pointing that out. They think it's quite funny that I start my video with breaking news. Anyway, Bitcoin. Let's talk about it very, very quickly. This is my Bitcoin position right now. It is up 2.64 today. Now then, I am no longer a fan of. In fact, I was never a fan. I like the technology of crypto, but with all the exchanges and all the bad scammers and all the stuff that's going on in the industry, I've lost a little bit of panache is the word I'm going to use for crypto. I am moving my strategy slightly to believe that I'm just going to hold some like a lottery ticket, 1 to 5% maximum in my portfolio. And I've removed all of my Bitcoin from my exchanges, which is predominantly Robinhood, which I find is the best way to buy it. And let me show you what I mean. So as I do this, you'll see me change my screen and go to my ledger. Here is my ledger. This is my Bitcoin. Now I own it on, I've removed it. I sold it up at around about the 30,000. And now I'm out, and now I'm accumulating $100 every time it drops a couple of grand. All of my money now all my keys rather, are on my ledger. Now I want to point out, a lot of people are asking this question. Your crypto is not on your ledger. What's on your ledger are the keys to access your crypto on the blockchain. It's just no longer with Robinhood. So that's what I think. That's where my crypto is right now. And I suggest everyone do that, because I think all the exchanges are going down the flipping toilet. So you need to get your money off your exchange and own the keys yourself. So this is my thoughts on Bitcoin. Over the last few weeks, we've had terrible, terrible news. FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, and all the rest of it. Companies going bust, and there's more lining up behind it. Look at what's going on with Kevin O'Leary and his silly, stupid flipping Snoopy watch, which everyone thinks is worth $1 million. It's a watch with a Snoopy face on it. It's ridiculous. Anyway, a lot of influence behind all of this. However, and they're all going down the toilet as well. However, Bitcoin hasn't crashed down. Now, I do still believe, and I stand by everything I say, still believe it's going to go down to 10,000 or below. I don't know what number it is. Nobody does. But you look at the charts and people will predict, because they've seen it before. Well, whatever. They've not seen it like this before with inflation and so on and so forth. And no free money around. So it's a different climate completely. But however, people are predicting what's going to happen. So what I'm doing is I'm buying $100 of it every time it goes down $1,000, and then removing it onto my ledger. Now then, if you go below my video into the description, you will see a link to Amazon. If you want to get a ledger, there's a link to my Amazon shop. Now, if you buy it with my Amazon link, my referral, it doesn't cost you anything, but I earn a small commission. And if you are a member of my channel, it's members only, I will give you live on the show, my live shows, 50% back of what I get. So if I get $10, I will give you $5 back, and I will share with you on the screen my affiliate account with Amazon, so you can see that's for members only. If you do use that link and you're not a member and I get a referral, you won't get any, I won't give you any money back. It's only for my members, but you don't pay any more for it, but you will get a ledger. And apparently ledgers have sold out right now, and I'm not surprised they've sold out. So anyway, Bitcoin, where do you think it's going to go? Is it going to continue going down to $10,000? I don't know. My average now is 15.7. 15.7 was my last purchase. Now, just so we all fully understand each other, the average doesn't mean so much if you remove your crypto from your network and put it on your ledger, and then buy another $100 of Bitcoin at the new price. That means your average will keep coming down if you keep paying less. So it's very, very important to note that. If I just scroll down, you'll see, look, my average cost is 15.7, because that is what I purchased last time, and that's why there's only $2 on there. Just so you know, that's how it works. If you remove it, you reset that average, if you like, all right? So don't fool yourself into thinking I've got an average of 15.7. In reality, my actual average is more like 16.5, 16.6, if you add all together what I've got. But if you're paying less and less each time, and you're not buying it on the way up, which I'm not going to do, then you can't help but win, right? You're always going to be on the right side of it. So that's how I'm accumulating Bitcoin. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to join us on a live show, click up here and that'll take you to all our live videos. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, let me make a thumbnail of this. My little ledger. I want to put that onto the screen. Here's my ledger. Do that. There you go. Right, ledger. So let's get in focus. Focus, you bugger. Right, there we go. I think that's right. All right, got it. Brilliant. Ticker. Okay. What predictions, if any, are on the Fed minutes tomorrow? The Fed minutes tomorrow. Has anybody got any ideas? Honestly, for the first time, I'm pretty stumped. Normally, I'm pretty confident, and now I'm like, I don't know. You know, CPI rate, I think, is going to. I think, first of all, I think inflation has peaked. I think inflation is going to continue to fall. I think I'm going to say that I think. Well, at least I'm hoping anyway. The Fed sound very, very hawkish to me, but I'm hoping we're definitely not going to get more than 0.75. I'm hoping, and I'm going to put my line in the sand and say 0.5 is the next rate hike. I think it's worth increasing the rates, but only by 0.5. That's my theory. What's anybody else think? What happens if the blockchain crashes? The blockchain can't crash. The blockchain is the internet. Bill, the internet, the blockchain is the internet. The internet isn't going anywhere. The internet is always going to be here. The blockchain is is going to be here. The people that buy and sell the crypto and add it to their exchanges, they could disappear. But to the actual exchanges, the actual 0.98. Oh, what? 1.2, 1.1. Good. The exchanges aren't going anywhere. Sorry, the Bitcoin isn't your Bitcoin isn't going anywhere. And a good point to mention, another thing as well, as people put their, in fact, I'm going to just do. That's a good point. I've just thought of something. Right, is a point. Is a very quick one. Bitcoin. Do another one. BTC2. Right, this is a good point. I want to mention this. I think this is very important to mention. Right. Bitcoin, how to make the price of Bitcoin go up. I'm going to show you right now. This is very interesting. Get yourself a ledger. How is a ledger going to make Bitcoin go up in value? Well, I'm going to tell you right now what I think. Because of the exchanges disappearing, and we're learning more about all the crooks and the scammers and Sam Bankman-Fried. What's happening is more and more people are buying these. And we know this for a fact because Amazon have sold out. Apparently, my members said today, you can't even buy a ledger on Amazon. That's interesting. So what is happening is people are removing their Bitcoin, their crypto, from the exchanges, sticking it on their ledger. Why does that make the price of Bitcoin go up? Well, two reasons. Number one, if you lose your Bitcoin ledger, your ledger, and people will, because they're human beings and they make mistakes, people will lose these. Guess what happens? The crypto remains on the blockchain, never gets sold. That puts the price of Bitcoin up or any other crypto. Or option two, if you put your crypto on a ledger, you feel less likely to sell it because it just sits there. You park it away, you stick it in the drawer. This is what's happening. This is my prediction. Even though I believe that Bitcoin is going to go down, I do, in value, short term, I do believe in the future it's likely to go up because as we move more of our crypto on to our offline wallets like a ledger, and we know that's happening because Amazon have sold out, people are going to either forget, lose their keys, whatever, they can't sell it, the price goes up. And on top of that, you're less likely to put it back on the exchange and sell it. Because let's be honest, if you bought Bitcoin, you probably, like me, bought it with no intention of using it or selling it or spending it, just holding it. So what do you think? Do you think this little gadget here is going to be the thing that makes Bitcoin go up to, what, $1 million? let's make up a number. Everybody else seems to. What do you think? Leave your comments below. If you want to join us for a live show and share your comments and call in, click here. I will let you call into my live show. Click up here to the live shows, call in and tell me I'm an idiot and tell me all this is ridiculous. What do you think? Is this how Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million? A little device called a ledger. We'll see. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let me get rid of the ticker. People are overlooking the unemployment data. As long as unemployment is low, the Fed have no reason to slow down. Remember, their target inflation is 2%, which is a long way from where 7.7. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right there. Okay. I'm going to put that into shot. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens. Let's see if that video does well. Anyway, let's go back. How do you do the visual effect? How do you do the visual effect on the price? How do you do the visual effect on the price? I'm not sure I understand what your question is. What I'm also interested about is how would a new inflation trigger like worsening tensions in China, change that equation with inflation overall and the Fed? How would a new inflation trigger like worsening tensions from China, change the equation with inflation overall at the Fed? If inflation continues to rise, the Fed will increase the rates they put interest rates up to try to calm spending. That's what it's doing. Increasing the rates will get people to spend less money and drive the economy down. That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to take the heat out of the economy by raising interest rates. Remember, that's the only weapon that the Fed have. They can't stop you buying stuff. They can't stop you investing. All right? They can't stop you from doing any of those things. They're trying to make it more expensive to borrow money so you don't spend money. That's what they're trying to do. Anyway. Virgin Galactic. Let's have a look at Virgin Galactic this morning. SPCE. Virgin SPCE. SPCE. I'm excited about that ledger video. I think that will get a lot of arguments. Quite looking forward to it. Let me try and... I don't know why this screen is so weird. Effects. Enhance. No, not that one. Effects. No. No, nothing at all. TikTok's weird. It won't let me go from my phone. Only lets me go from my phone. Anyway, never mind. The stock market itself being high is bad for inflation. They need unemployment up and the market down to combat inflation. Yeah, because if the markets... See, that's why the markets go down when they put the rate hikes up, because people sell off. Right now, the market's going up means people are making money. People are making money and they have money to spend. But with the markets going sideways like they are right now, I don't know if anyone's really making that much money. So anyway, Virgin Galactic. Breaking news. You got me all thinking about it now. I can't say breaking news anymore. I'm not allowed to say breaking news on my own channel. That's weird, isn't it? It's my show. I'll do what I want. Anyway, I'm not allowed to say anymore. Right, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Galactic. This morning it went below $5, down to like $4.99, 98, I think, for a moment. Psychologically, that was important because a lot of retail investors who are scalping this stock or shorting this stock, who don't even believe in it long term, look at that, and when it breaks $5, it sort of sends a trigger psychologically, emotionally, that this stock is going all the way back down again. Now, I do have buy orders in at $4. I'm very happy, but right now we've got some drama drama going on. We've got Sir Richard Branson and SPCE, Virgin Galactic, going through the ringer for a lawsuit, a law case. They're being sued. Richard Branson's being sued for selling all his shares at the top like he's a bad man, that he lied and manipulation and blah, blah, blah. What a load of bloody nonsense. And let me tell you why. If I'm Richard Branson and I believe in space, which he does, and he believes that this is his legacy, which he does, and I know because I've worked for Sir Richard Branson on his experience project, so I know how much he feels for this. The stock he knew would go down. He's a businessman before it would go up because of the economic climate, because people are selling it, because there's no good news. He sold it at the top, and then, he got slammed for it. What's wrong with that? Elon Musk has done it. I would do it if I owned it. I mean, well, I do own it, but if I'd made loads of money and I could buy it back lower, why not? This is part of what a good businessman does. It's why Richard Branson is a gazillionaire. It's why he can afford to pioneer Virgin Galactic and everything else that he's involved with the whole Virgin brand. So I have no problem. People don't like when the markets go down. They want to point finger at somebody and go, it's his fault. He sold out. I don't like that Elon Musk has sold out, but it presents me with the opportunity to buy Tesla cheap. It's the same situation. You are responsible for your own investments. If the markets go up, what are you going to do? Thank someone? Blame someone? No, you'll take your profit and think you're the greatest investor in the world. If it goes down, you want to blame Richard Branson and go, he's an idiot. Well, he's not an idiot. Neither is Mark Zuckerberg. Neither is Elon Musk. All these people that get slammed. I am down. I have lost a lot of money on Virgin Galactic. Huge amounts of money. I've lost huge amounts of money on Tesla. But am I blaming anybody? Am I suing anybody? No, it's my own fault. It's my own fault. I sit on YouTube every day and invest and keep losing all my money. It's my own fault. It's my responsibility. It's no one else's. I do my own research. Virgin Galactic is going to be $100 a share. I have no doubt about that. In maybe 2 years. 2 years' time, 2 to 3 years' time. But I haven't got a timeline on it. A timeline. I only need it to be up in like 10, 15 years when I retire, something like that. I'm 53 now, so that gives you an idea. So at the end of the day, Virgin Galactic being up or down is irrelevant to me. It just gives me an opportunity. So Richard Branson getting sued? Well, I don't know. I'm looking at it. I'm reading the news. I don't have any concern with that. But I am encouraged today that it bounced back off the 499. Psychologically, it's a cool thing. What do you think? Is Richard Branson going to lose the lawsuit? Are we all going to get compensated? I mean, I'd like to see how that works. I mean, do we all get like a free share of Virgin Galactic? I have no idea. Anyway, what do you think? Leave your thoughts below. If you'd like to join me on a live show, click up here, and we're live every day, and you can come in and call in live to the show, and you can actually be on our show and have your say as well. So what do you think? What do you think? Anyway, if it's your first time here, smash the like button and go on. Do me a favor. Hit the subscribe right above my head there. Boom. I put that in the worst place possible, didn't I? Anyway, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do Virgin Galactic. Let me have a little thinky face on this one. All right. There's a thinky face. Okay. Powell wants a crash. I don't think Powell wants a crash. Powell wants the markets to come down, but he doesn't want a crash. He doesn't want the markets to crash. I don't believe that for a second. He wants the companies to make less profits. He wants layoffs, unemployment, people to spend less. I don't think that means he wants a crash. I think they're two different things. That wouldn't make any sense, because wanting the market to crash would also mean a lot of people would lose their pensions and be in trouble. I mean, why would he want that? He's not a vindictive, horrible person that wants everyone to lose all their money, just wants people to spend less. Also keep in mind that Powell actually said he'd rather go too far on interest rates than not far enough. He said that he can always reduce rates in the future if they have gone too far. Yeah, I remember that one. But not far enough could result in a prolonged inflationary environment. Yeah, they're learning from the past, right? I'm back. Powell wants a crash. He's back. I don't want stock to crash, but I would love a real estate crash. Yeah, especially if you want to buy a house, right? If that's what it takes, Martin. If that's what it takes. RB took my phone number. RB took my phone number. Any idea what that means? No idea. Right. A number of you have been asking about the Christmas list. Oh, church, I need to talk to you about your idea with the Secret Santa. I've not focused on that yet. Need to look at your comment, read it, send me a message. What is it you want to do? There were some people that wanted to send things into the studio to me here for Christmas. So here's my Christmas list. If you want to do that, you can. You can send a Christmas card and I'll display all the Christmas cards. You can buy a Christmas card on Amazon and send it. You can add it to my Christmas list and send it to me. If you want to do that, I will display everyone's Christmas cards and gifts or whatever here on the show. All right. The economy has always worked in boom and bust interest rate cycles. It's how the elites make their money. There you go. Let's move on. Virgin Orbit. Now, Virgin Orbit is going down again. Up, look at it, like a bloody yo-yo. We need to get the information of when this is flying. That's what we need. That's what we need. Tesla. Rivian. I'm finally 20 cent up on arrival. Let's have a little look. Are you up on arrival? It's pretty flat today. You're up on 20 cents. Overall, you mean? I'm still down $80 at the moment. My total return is down $80, 41%. Anyway, arrival's finished. I can't see how it can go anywhere else. But I'm not prepared to sell it, even though I expect it to go to zero. Got at 35.02. Everything else red. Rivian. Rivian. Okay. Let's look at Rivian. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Rivian this morning broke to nearly my all-time low position. Not quite. I didn't manage to get it. I was trying to buy. I've got an all-time low. I've got a buy order at $26 and to buy more at $26. I've always said since the very, very beginning, and please check all my Rivian videos, that Rivian is a $30 stock. So I'm happy to own it here. And I think it's one for the future. However, I would like to buy some more. So this morning it got pretty close. It went down as low as, let's have a look at it, 28.11, I think it was. Maybe a little bit less than that, 28. Scrolling there. 28, round about the 28. I got a buy all at 26, but it's popped back up again. So what do you think? Rivian, is it a good buy? It was certainly not a good buy when it went all the way to 170, and I made money on the way up. But Rivian, I think, is worth owning at this price. It doesn't seem to want to go any lower. Even though I was up 30% on this stock just a few weeks ago, I've still held. This is my position. If I go over to this screen here, you'll see I own 41 shares of it. It's 1.25% of my portfolio. I'm happy to own it. I will buy some more if it goes to $26. What do you think? If it's your very first time here, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. That would be absolutely wonderful. We go live all the time. If you'd like to join us on a live show, and you can call into the show, click up here and that will take you to all the live shows, and you can actually call in on a live show and have your say. Rivian, what do you think? Is it a long-term play? I love what Amazon are doing with Rivian. I've seen Rivian vans. If you've seen a Rivian van, take a picture, go below and find our Discord channel and send it in. And we'd love to share your sightings. It's like a UFO sighting, isn't it? Your sightings of Rivian, and we'll share it with everybody through our Discord channel. The links are below. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, get rid of the ticker. Okay. Rivian. Now then. Mike Moses says upgraded. Information here. Mike Moses says upgraded VSS Unity will fly 500 to 1,000 times consecutively. Will fly 500 to 1,000 times consecutively. So that's 500 back to back. Is that what you're saying? I need to verify that information before I use that information. If we can verify that, I will share it, but I can't just make up stuff. I need to verify that information. Share with me that information and I will put that out. Because that's fantastic. Show me where you've got that information from and I'll share it out. So Richard Branson and Virgin Mobile. He sold me to Boost. I refused to switch, so they took my number. That's bloody awful. That's awful. I'm sorry to hear that, mate. And it's Pharrell. Yeah, send me the church, if you can find the verification of that. Send it me as a link, and I will put it on Discord, and I will share it. Happy to do that, but we need to verify it. Lucid. So, Lucid. LCID. Lucid. Okay. Now then. Let's talk about Lucid. You and your breaking news. Every time I say it now, I think about it. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Lucid gave me a gift this morning. Lucid have a car which is arguably not that much of an argument, to be honest. Even though I'm a Tesla investor, it is better than a Tesla, no question. The problem with Lucid is they can't ramp up. Completely different. However, they do have a great car, phenomenal car. Now, this morning, their price dropped dramatically. Remember, the price is not the value of the company. It's merely the price that people are prepared to pay for the stock right now. And I've been adding to my position. Let me share with you how much I've got. Nowhere near as much as Tesla. Look, it's 1.8 of my portfolio, which is quite a reasonable amount for this company, I think. My average is 1332. I now have 170 shares because this morning it presented me with a gift. It dropped down to $10. I had a buy at $10. But as it got closer, I decided to cancel it and go manual because I thought it could bounce up. I felt it would bounce up, and it did. So I bought some more shares at 10.03 because I didn't want to miss out on that. I felt it was going up, and it was the right thing to do. My average was, let me share on this screen. My average was somewhere around about, my total return was down about 28%. It's now down 23%. So I've improved my position by around about 4%. So that's quite good. I've got another buy order to buy more at $9 should it go there, which would be a 10% discount from where it's bottomed out this morning. I don't anticipate it going there, but you never know. I like to keep buy orders in at all-time lows. That not only gets me ridiculously low prices if there is a flash crash or some breaking news, but it also allows me to measure if my portfolio or the markets have bottomed. Because if I'm unable to buy any more stocks, then the market has bottomed, right? If I just leave buy orders at everything at my all-time lows and I can't buy anything, that tells me the markets are bottomed. So Lucid, what do you think? Subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts. And I'd love if you could subscribe and ring the bell. There it is, just above my head right there. If you want to join us in a live show and call in on the show, you can be in a live show, take part, have your say. You can do that through Discord, and it's members only. Here's our live shows. Here's our link to our live shows. Join us on a live show. Let me know your thoughts. But Lucid presented me this morning with a gift. I wanted to buy more, but I managed to get some at 10. I could now lot sale and sell those lots. Remember with Robinhood, it's first in, first out. So if you want to sell the lots you've just bought, you can sell them, and then you need to tell Robinhood, I want to sell the ones that I bought this morning. Otherwise, you're selling the wrong shares, and that makes a difference, right? Overall, your average comes down about the same, but you don't want to be selling for a loss, do you? You want to sell for a profit. Unless you're trying to reduce your tax position, which is what's coming up in next month. Anyway, there we go. Lucid gave me a gift this morning. What do you think? Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, Lucid. Okay. Lucid. What else? Apple. Let's have a look. Oh, Arrival. Arrival's going up a bit today, but not much news there. They're in so much trouble. Amazon. Show me your whole portfolio. You're not a member. You have to be a member for me to go into details like that. If you want to be a member, you can. You get many perks and benefits. Here's the invitation to join. Many benefits. The membership was designed to benefit you, not me. It's only a couple of bucks a month, and you get many perks, and that's one of them. Me to go into detail over my portfolio. Okay. All right, me now. Unless I get time and I can do it, but right now I'm focusing on other things. If I'm free, I'll do anything. But right now I'm focusing on other things. Robinhood, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. Right. Safe stocks. Google, Meta, Microsoft. Here's an important one. Here's an important one. Okay. Market bottom. Okay, market bottom. I've got exactly what I want to talk about here. Okay. Has the market bottomed? Has my portfolio bottomed? That's all I'm really interested in, is has my portfolio reached the bottom? Should I be more encouraged by an upward movement, more bullish movement from here? Well, there is a way to measure that. I've got buy orders set across all my stocks, and if I'm not able to buy any all-time lows, technically my portfolio is at bottom. And I want to share with you some information which might suggest that. Look at this right now. Let's go over to my main portfolio and see. There are a number of stocks which give me some very good information. When the markets are down, high-risk stocks get sold off, and stocks like McDonald's get bought, Coca-Cola get bought, and J&J get bought. Right, so that would suggest the markets are still going down because everyone's selling high-risk stocks. My J&J is now up 5% overall. My Coca-Cola is up 5.1% overall. And my McDonald's is up 13% overall. Great, I like it. But that normally happens. They normally go up like this when everything else, high-risk stocks, are being sold off and people move their money into these stocks. Okay, that's the very purpose of owning this kind of stocks. However, if we now look at our high-tech stocks, which is the ones that sold off most, Google is up today. Microsoft is up today. And so is Meta up today by a reasonable amount. So people aren't selling off these stocks, they're buying them as well. Remember, if stocks go up, it's because people are buying them. And Meta, Microsoft, and Google are all going up. So we have a quick look at Tesla as well. These are all my actual positions. Tesla is also up today. Doesn't want to go down. I want to try and buy some more at 160. It's not letting me do that. But that would indicate that perhaps my portfolio, and it's a general portfolio, I cover the S&P 500. Let me share that with you as well. Here's VU. This is my access to the S&P 500. There it is. That's also up 0.69 today. Has the market bottomed? What do you think? My portfolio, I'm still able to get a few shares. I got some Tesla yesterday. I didn't get any today. Wouldn't go any lower. I got some Lucid today, but the volume of what I'm able to buy is getting less and less. I'm less and less able to get cheaper and cheaper stocks. Has the market bottomed? Are we about to have a Santa rally? What do you think? My portfolio certainly suggests that. And if I look at those stocks I've just shown you, like my staples, J&J, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, they're going up at the same time as my high-risk stocks are going up. And I have what's regarded as some very high-risk stocks as well. If I share with you one of those being SPCE, Virgin Galactic, that is also up today. It did sell off this morning, but it's up again today over $5. So what do you think? Do you think that the markets have bottomed? Do you think we're about to get a Santa rally? Do you think the CPI numbers are going to come in good? Do you think the inflation rate is peaked? What do you think? You can call into a live show. Click here to join our live shows, and you can join us every day, but you can actually call in. If you look below this video, in the description, there's Discord, and if you go to Discord, you can become a member, and you can actually call in live to our show and have your say. Tell me I've got it all wrong, or tell me I've got it right. I have no idea, but my portfolio is indicating to me that it does look like the markets are bottoming in. Is that a real word? And we are moving into a much better position. Not saying we're turning bullish, but maybe the bears are running out of steam. What do you think? Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, there we go. Show me your portfolio, says Minnow. I'll try and get to that if I get a chance. Time perhaps for day trader of the day. SoFi. Oh yes, very, very important news. This is important as well, particularly on SoFi as I rank for SoFi. Let's bring this into it. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. SoFi Technologies. Yesterday, over the last week in fact, if we look at the overall week, look at that, 15% over the week. Is it an oversell? Is it an overreaction? Why did this happen? Well, SoFi are now being looked into because they are regulated like a bank. They follow rules, good, solid rules of a bank. They're not like crypto. They don't run off with your money. They don't run off to the Bahamas like Sam Bankman-Fried. He should be called Fried because they should fry him. Anyway, that's another story. But the trouble is, SoFi are now being investigated because they do hold crypto on their accounts. And that is vulnerable, right, with what's going on right now. They are being investigated. So they had a big sell-off this week. Now, I did manage to buy some on the way down. It started to rebound back. Is it an overreaction? What do you think? I like this kind of thing because I do believe in the technology of blockchain. I don't believe in the scammers behind it, but I do believe in the technology. I do also believe in digital banks. I believe this will be the future of banks. I don't think we need brick and mortar banks. I think banks that are online could do the job just as well. So I like this kind of thing. It does offer great products and services. It's why I've invested in it. Let me share with you my actual position. I'm currently down 17%. It's 2% of my portfolio. It doesn't make any sense, even though I'm bullish on the stock, to buy any more because I don't want it to become 5-6% of my portfolio. That would be imbalanced for my particular portfolio. But it did drop. I did manage to buy some more. I've got another order placed. I'll share with you how much I've got. I've got an order placed here for $4.50. Maybe it'll never go there, but you never know. Some news, it could go there. But is SoFi in trouble? Is SoFi on the ropes with its scrutiny over its crypto connections? Is SoFi going to lose value? Is it going to go bust? What do you think? I'm holding, I'm adding, I'm accumulating. I like it. I like the technology. They've replied to the inquiry so far, saying we've done absolutely nothing wrong. We've followed all the rules. We've complied to all the rules and everything we're supposed to do. But it's only the right thing to do to have a look at them, and that's all this is at this stage. They're being looked at, but by being looked at and getting in the news, everybody sold it. So Again, that presents me with an opportunity. I like that. If we look at it over the week, it's down 15%. Over the month, look, it's 4.65. So you can see what happened there. It was doing all right. It was rising, and then all this news came out and it crashed. So is it going to rebound pretty quick? What do you think? I'd like you to smash the like button and join us on a live show. If you click subscribe, you'll be alerted and ring the bell to all our breaking news. If you want to discuss this with me live on a show and call into a show, we go live up to 10 hours a day. Here is the link to the live shows, and you can call in. There's a link below in the description for my Discord, and you can actually call in and be live on the show. All right. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. SoFi. Okay, SoFi. Best Buy to the moon. What's going on with Best Buy? Best Buy. With day trader of the day, I think we'll do right after this quick commercial break. So let's do an ad. You can skip the ad, come right back, and we will do a day trader of the day. Here we go. Let's run to a quick commercial break. And we're back again with you now. Okay, here we go. Search YouTube for Big Ideas Live. We are still racing to space. Mike Moses is on the panel. Okay, if I can get that. Churchy, one of my researchers, Mike, any of my researching team, if you can find that, share it on Discord, and I will gladly share it, because that would be fantastic news. We would like that. But I have to verify. I have to see it where I can verify it. Someone can't just call in and say, Virgin Galactic is about to go to $1 million, and then I'll say it. I mean, it's not how it works. How do I change this filter on flipping TikTok? Can't seem to change it. Really bad filter today on TikTok. Don't know why it's doing that. Anyway, it is what it is. Ion Q, Walmart today up. Target is returned. Tesco's. Oh, 1.48 on Tesco now. Look at that. Finally making some money. A decent amount of money too. 1.48. We were down like 20% at one point. Maybe more than that actually. On Tilray, Ginkgo, Enphase up 1.86. I've made another $100 on it. 7.8. Continues to make money. Bitcoin SV up 2.75. Look at that. Ethereum as well. Okay. All right, let's do day trader of the day, and let's wrap up today's show. Let's see, did we get any people come in today? Let's have a little look. Subscribers 5516. We gained another subscriber. That's nice. 118 people through the show. That's very quiet. We are quiet at the moment. You can really sense everything's down. No one's really getting involved in anything, but everything's just going sideways. Bit of a shame. But never mind. Keep on plugging forward. Keep on moving forward. Right. Day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. Make sure that you click live, that you're up to date with the stream. Otherwise, you'll miss out. Right. At 1.23. Here we go. Tomorrow will be worse. Everybody's off for the holiday. Up 1.3%. Up 1.3%. Put 1 minute on the clock when you post. Good afternoon, stock market plan. How are you? One of my subscribers over there on TikTok, I think. Thank you very much indeed. Anything else I can do to promote your channel, I will. We're growing all the time. I can't find my percent on trading 212. Andrew Grady, you can't find it. I can't support you, I'm afraid. I don't know anything about 212. I've no idea. Right, here's my score. Minute on the clock. When the first person posts, I will give you a minute on the clock. Let's get the scores today. Let's see what's going on. The S&P 500 is up 0.68. I'm up 2%. Very nice. Yeah, okay, here come the scores. Here come the scores. 1 minute on the clock. So I'm at 1.3. Up 0.49. Just 2 scores in so far. I am winning at the moment. 60% down on 810. So whatever that is. All right. Sorry, Andrew. I'm sorry I can't support you. Maybe somebody on Discord uses 212. That would be able to. I'm winning. I'm winning at the moment. How long is it going to last? It doesn't last very long. Up 0.6. Am I going to win? Am I going to win today? It's possible when the clock runs out. Oh, Churchy's beating me again. Down 2.1. Dexter Sickles up 2.36. Says Churchy. Unbelievable. The Church of Logic is beating me again. Oh, I can't believe it. Church Logic. He wins every bloody day now. I'm getting bored of it. Are you getting bored of it? Right. Thank you very much for your honest trades, Churchy. Thumbs up the video. Well, thanks for your honest trade. That's what I meant to say. And big round of applause. There we go. Churchy, very, very nice indeed. That's a great score. Well done to you. There you go. Very good, Church. Right, we're just about to the end of the show then. Virgin Galactic is coming back up, 1.4 up. Looking all right. We're making it back. So let's go over. Let's have a little look now and get some context. So that this is the portfolio over the day. This is over the week. It's down over the week, bound to be. Yeah, 12% down over the week, right? Over the month, this is what's important. You need to step back. Over the month now, we're up 8.41. That's what I'm saying. So are we bottoming out? Are we bottoming out? We're up 8.3. Over the 3 months, we're down. And as you all know, overall, we're down 30 grand. We're down big time, 42%. But remember, like I've always said, when I started, I had that many shares at that price. I've now got that many shares at this price. So it's just about preparing and digging ditches. When it turns around, it'll turn around very, very quick. And we have had it turn around now for a month. So it's starting to recover. So let's see what happens. Anyway, congratulations, Churchy. Congratulations, everyone. It's time for me to get off. I'll be back this afternoon for the closing bell. And we're still rising at 1.5 now. Where are the gains coming from? Let's see where they're coming from. We've got the S&P 500 still rising. I like that's doing so strong, and I've got such a big position, 19%. Portland Trailblazers is up 3. You're too late. You were behind the stream. You didn't refresh your stream. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, 169. Can you imagine how much better I would be when Tesla recovers? That's the point of buying the dips, though. To be up today, 1.56 with Tesla down 3 grand for me, you can see 2,800. So if I could go back to where I was up 2 grand. That would be 5 grand. That would put that would be 47 grand. 47 if I could get back to where I was. Damn it was my birthday yesterday. Couldn't get in here to get my happy birthday song. Stop market plan. You are okay. We do it the day before, the day of, and the day after. We do it so we don't want people to miss out for the weekend. You can have your happy birthday song. You can have it. But we'll do it. Can you join me in the closing bell? Because we are finished now and we'll all celebrate with you this afternoon. Can you join us for the closing bell this afternoon? And if you can, we will celebrate it with you this afternoon. Can you join us for the closing bell this afternoon? Because I have to get out of here right now. Time is up. We can celebrate it for you tomorrow. If anyone's birthday, will do. Great. We'll all be here this afternoon and we'll celebrate it with you. All right. And don't forget to share share the video to all your friends so they can be in and wish you happy birthday. Because as I sing, I will have all the comments down the side of the screen, and that can be all your friends, and you can keep that as for a video. You own the copyright of it. I will give it to you. You can download it and use it on your social media and share to your friends. So if you get everybody in, so what you do is go to the homepage of the channel, look at this afternoon's show. There's this afternoon's show, the closing bell. All right, and give it a second. Give it a second. Right, it's live in 3 hours, as you can see. Right, there it is. See, live in 3 hours. Whoops. 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 Oh, whatever. Anyway, you get what I'm saying, and you can share the video. You can share that video. There's a little share button underneath, and you can get all your family and friends in, and you can actually, we celebrate with your family. All right, that's it from me. Can someone say, roll the credits? I've got to get out of here. I'm not so sure the credits are going to be that great today. We didn't get any super chats, any members on Twitch, or any members here. So it's quite a quiet day. I'm on nights tonight, so I'll miss it. Back tomorrow, though. Have a good after party. Thank you, Andrew. There you go. You're getting happy birthdays already. Roll the credits, says Mike. Thank you so much. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Shadoo, shadoo-be-doo-wah. Ba-doo-be-doo. Thanks for your support. Subscriptions. Rob Tesson. Very, very quiet today. No super chats, no members, but we did get a subscriber. So there we go. Very quiet, but still worth celebrating. Every person counts. Every person counts. Anyway, that's it from me. I will see you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. Big day tomorrow, of course. Wednesday. We've got information coming out from the Fed minutes, of course. Then we've got Thursday. There's no market and only a half market on Friday. So tomorrow is kind of like a Friday. Tomorrow is like a Friday. We'll see you all back for the closing bell this afternoon. The overall market is now up 1.8. We're doing all right. That's it from me. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you all back tomorrow. One final time, many of you said, can I send stuff into the show for Christmas cards or gifts? I want to be able to see it on the show. You can. We now have our very own Christmas list. You don't have to buy off my list. This is just a few things just to set it up. If you want to buy something for the studio or whatever, you can from the Christmas list. There, you can add it or whatever you like. All right, brilliant. Thank you ever so much, guys. I will see you all back this afternoon. Have a wonderful afternoon. And until then, have a great day. Take care of yourselves and each other.